ela vidi fu pepe va glolo oh e glolo ma we ezambalejado aja gbagba asikaligbe do afikolea le mia tempolo mi jagole gio mi antominya oh ma we mi antominya eyenti mi regiodo ne mi attende cucunolo ficole o ma we ficole ma mbe ficole ma ficole o e we ficole ma we ficole ma adoua me vana fianfito pata trosu pastolo adoua me vana agedato pata trosu boconolo oh mau ficole nu barabara yo le cho yo jo bon pomino bola bonu kakani gakemi ficole ma we ficole ma mbe ficole ma
yo me kwa gbendi mi apono polo modo izona mi va vo ingbati bi fendi wona ji toni magbo nya ga le mi agbo me da poni mi abaleke mi ore ka kwa prim le egbe ndi atome ha ke egbe apo jinwe vo apon keke wi de ke agbe to a eno ga to ya abaleke mi nya na mi jago ma ple nya agbe ka de mi akọ adon se mi arokyo ke na mi zorangwa mi akpo nya konye na jojo kare mi pon to mafia azo hai kana kata kula hi ha kata gozo Tony McBoy e mi aklom ya don kujiwe ne mi jona gomo kwa mi da mi akolo rofia mi ano le 0242670773 plus 2332426707773 na mamya mi kale duko yoku nya gana duko mo mi pogema ke mi check up kwa klim ta ma adak penanya nya modang dolo kata mio kata foklim dia afi wonaga egomenjem donc ujibe mi anko semla ho la woto mi ho technical university alo poli neva poli amako ne bia jim fuga hostela wo programa mi agbo afi mai nyele nya takbere mo le ajodo nya o me akbere mo la shicha nya o me ya check up primi kabanto alabe Maman woven na mi modawi donc yo ke mi konta for mi hi hokwa shakpa ya ne dibe nya dubu na yalo nya kwere nchele bubu do nya ma plato mokata nya tem awe nawo yo akpana mi abaleke mi wo de ka kpakle mi ameka mi anko sana Facebook na sa mi anko do gbana mfan na pasusu tamasusu kata na va alove mi awo na no kwede yo mi azon then go agar me up a motivational segment me agba motivational message alo unse domenya alo amroke pronya ike nyacho akono agbe zolia somle ihokpa henye message piare ke machole English me and to this motivational messages you learn who you are when nothing around feels certain. You learn who you are when nothing around you feels certain. That is a message put across by an anonymous philosopher or sage. He's saying you learn who you are when nothing around you feels certain. So it's much a question about uncertainties, much a question about not knowing what tomorrow brings, much a question about not knowing what happens next, not knowing what line of action to take, and all that. It seems that we develop more of our inner strength and our abilities. We develop a lot of inner fortitude, courage, and even direction because our inner man has bearing, our inner man has eyes, our inner man has feelings, our inner man has mind, and we communicate with ourselves and get ourselves in harmony to do more when it seems nothing else around us feels certain. And that's how we start our day. I'm not too sure if I've exhausted the meaning of this, but it's for us to all think about and find what we can draw from this. You learn who you are when nothing around you feels certain. Nyalade, akunyade dare, apology, when not a chamber of bonny, Mokober, and young mammy, I called her a miarukio bo, aroma dare yama. Because I put out on Chiago Blomber. Mi strong cho miarukio chinui, ne kakaji could be a camele, nyashi, no mio kajojom, le mia how, alone in Macare miarukio jalomio kata proclaiming, and mayo proclaiming. Shangwika proclaiming magak barum na kejinamio mai ma mi gina mi arukyomen mi kona yonyo to le mi arukyomen amashama la gbele rukyomen nku le mi afa jioma to le mi afa jioma sesela le mi afa jioma amashama kule kwa e pa manya jaguma cho mama ke amma gbogbo nya lo rupo nye de ya ta na mshang le mi ha da mi fu alo na kokpo bu na mi mshang mi le mi ha alo mashama ke nyatem adongro ukata ujabaro da influene ya mai make to minye nyapa mmenyenye ejago nana mai nyata kakalo nyaki makopro miarukyo akodon se miarukyo ndia jejemema. All right, so I think that's about that. Nyazorango haide howeday.com akpọ nkanye nyajojoke chacham to howeday.com. I don't kujiwe memian kosam le multi tvg le evangba tvg miga le YouTube ji ha miga le evangba tvg le YouTube da nya aklam ya kwa messages o la taka kakata la fumafa alawe miga mian kosam le evangba tvg le Facebook ha ke mi ke mi ta achok para wona chenye like share comment nako lokai ka jina nyako som la ko dare o status to tu ramo bon hokwe ko funoji ke nikata ningoing aju. All right, howeday.com. Fugu Wednesday, Ghana's new cultural craze. Fugu Wednesday, Ghana's new cultural craze. Akpeteshi abuse raises health concerns in the Volta region. Traditional leaders installed in two traditional communities in the Volta region, I mentioned their names. Cathedral caused spark controversy. And wetlands conservation take roots in the Volta region. So these are 5 main stories from our region here that we would like to start with. Ira kwa fugu alo miemia batakari dodo enye mika ga like chiajifia balwa gromba batakari dodo ye ga like chiajifia banare dogo cho Ministry of Tourism, Culture and Creative Arts Bill AC 286-28601 Declaration of Wednesday to wearing of fugu a chok banade dogo shabe fienyi malofu obe mi kakere ya wano kataji banamaji nakaji wa howeday.com notero he cho mchuchu adare duagbo be kura shakura anyen keke nyacho adari na fugu dodo kura shakura na nyen keke ike nyako adari na fugu dodo ni ke awi admin to ndori ke kpon la ye yo me mi la bo fugua vovototo yi ke le me koe nye be tɔnyanya bɔkpitɔ elabe ye nye mía ame yiwo ke nye vedomishimo alo mía ame yiwo ke menye shitɔwo alo menye kesinɔtɔ dranyiwo wotɔ. Mamlɛa ye nye eya ke ame mamlɛawo zazãma ye nye amegãwo tɔ ye abɔ glodzo li na. Ta abɔ glodzotɔ ma yi ke kpɔm mi le yi ke me hã madoa ne yi ɖe dzogbeawo dzia, míaƒe nusɔsrɔ̃ kple numekuku ɖi fia be eyawo wozãna abɔ glodzotɔ abe efiawo, fiahawo. Nenye fia ye nye nyeŋteƒe la, woga kple wo kesinɔnu ɖeɖefia edzena to fugu nene yi ke ne do me. Ta ne kpɔ fiagã wogbɔna xoe ne sina kaɖi be edo fugu abe fugu wɔme ewo kra, woxɔe se be nyakpoxɔnu hã le dzogbeawo dzi. Ke eyike míaƒe dukɔkplɔla yi ɖe Zambia ŋtsɔ ya edo fugu, ke ye wòdo fugua Zambiantɔ ɖeka be edo blouse. Edo blouse. Blouse nye dziwui, nyɔnuwo ƒe dziwui. Ta nenema wo bui ma eva na be nuƒoƒo tso fugu ŋu va kaka ɖe yaʋalawo katã dzi alekeleke gbegbe. Ta fugudodo ye nye enya yi ke le tsia dzi. Yo míakɔ gbãna le ta dzedzem míaƒe TVawo dzi. Dzedze ge míaƒe TVawo dzi kpi ɖe ko nu yi ke gblɔm gbãna le ma xem kpi ɖe alebe mía aga azɔ ɖe ŋgɔ kpo enya mamlɛawo yiwo ke zu hatsi ashishiwo ŋu le Ghana dukɔ kaɖe me. On behalf of the government of the Good Republic of Ghana, and in accordance with our collective commitment to preserve, promote, and celebrate Ghana's rich cultural heritage, the Ministry of Tourism, Culture, and Creative Arts wishes to inform the general public of government's decision to encourage all Ghanaians as well as friends of Ghana home and abroad to dedicate every Wednesday to the wearing of fugu, batakari in all its diverse forms, designs, and expressions, complemented by its distinctive and beautiful accessories. This initiative is intended to deepen national cultural awareness, affirm our identity, and project Ghana's heritage with pride to the world. Letale miagbo ejejege TV ajina miagbo. Beyond its cultural significance, the initiative is expected to generate far-reaching social and economic benefits, including the empowerment of local weavers, designers, artisans, and traders across the value chain, as well as expanded business employment and commercial opportunities nationwide. The government hopes that this collective embrace of fugu will strengthen national unity, stimulate the creative economy, and serve as a powerful symbol of Ghana's cultural confidence and self-expression. Signed, Abla Jifa Gomashi, MP and Minister. Da Gbadashe Chojiru Agbo. Eyi dzi gblɔ be ɖewo míade ŋuto kple susu be míaƒe dekɔnu kple míaƒe aɖaŋuwo yiwo ke míexɔ tso míaƒe tɔgbuitɔgbuitɔgbuiwo gbɔ na akpe du ɖo. Ta yewo de ŋutome be ame sia ame nado batakari le mɔ vovovowo ŋu eye be wòatso ye ŋuti ŋu batakari ma wu ko wònye o. Gake ɖewo hã wowɔ trɔza ɖe wo ŋuti, dzonu le ɖewo ŋuti, kuku le ɖewo ŋuti vovovowoe ma me gblɔ. Eya me dɔ nye ame gblɔewo, nye aklakiwo, messengerwo, vedomisi dɔwɔla yiwo tɔ ye nya me do. Gake amewɔ nuteƒewo, amegãmegãwo tɔwo hã le nye abɔ glodzotɔ ye ma do mi kpɔ do ŋgɔ. Ɖe eya ta míadzi be míakpe ɖe míaƒe sɔhɛwo kple fuguwɔlawo kple eŋutɔlawo, ame sia ame yi ke ƒe edɔ nye fuguwɔwɔ ko. Míadze agbagba lekeleke be Ghana ƒe dekɔnu ya yi ke nye fugua nakaka ɖe xixa katã me. Abla Jifa Gomashi, Minister for Tourism, ƒe gbedeasi ma mekɔ da ɖe edua gbɔ. Eyo, nika le hoidea.com akeko. Mme kuku aɖe dogo yi ke nye ŋutsɔ yi ke va zo tsɔ akpeteshinono le Volta nyɔnuviwo dome enye nane yi ke va do fievo ale gbegbe. Ɖe ma ta wokpe de dzesi be nyɔnuviwo kpeteshinono ale gbegbe le Volta region ale yi ke mi mekpɔe kpɔ. Woku ŋume kukua le nye yi. A recent study has revealed alarming levels of akpeteshi consumption among females in the Volta region, with 66.67% exceeding recommended limits. The research conducted by the University of Allied Health Sciences and KNUST highlights the need for urgent regulatory and health promotion efforts. UHAS, ikenye sukukoko, ikesrong chomiape lamese nchi, le lamese nyawo katã ŋuti glogodo, yi ke le ho le afia le kafi me ŋu ƒom le nyateƒe le Dzimfuga hostel le afia yohaziwo ƒo xlã mi glogodo woawoe le fia. Wowɔ kple Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology viwo woge ɖe gbɔdɔ me ale be wonɔ ŋu srɔ̃m henɔ ŋume kum tso akpeteshinono kple ŋutizaza ŋu. Wokpe de dzesi be le baba 100 sia ame 100 ma yiwo ke nye nyɔnua ame blaade-vɔ-andre wonɔna akpeteshi. Akpeteshia nomo le ame kɔŋkɔ ɖeka lo kɔŋkɔ fa ƒe nyagbɔmemi lo. Wonomo me tsom ale gbegbe mumu hã kpe ɖe ŋuti. Ŋumekuku yi ke tso UHAS viwo kpakple KNUST viwo gbɔ ƒe enya enye ya ɖo mia gbɔ. Volta nyɔnua ha numakpa kpi ɖe ko nyama gblɔm wole. Volta nyɔnu va kɔ ha ko do kɔ wɔ dɔnono ma aleke gbegbe. Ne le nyɔnuviwo ma 100 sia 100 ame blaade-vɔ-adrea wonɔna ha ale gbegbe evɔ kpeteshia nomo la wonɔ ŋu tsom akpa. Menye ya ke wobena novi tɔma bena novi vivivi da klolita me bibla me level ma gblɔm mi lo. Eya gblɔm mi la eme tsom akpa. According to the study published in the journal Scientific African, akpeteshi abuse is prevalent among females despite high consumption levels and among males. The scientists led by Dr. Fidelis Bodo and Dr. Nicole Cotain emphasized the need for action to address the issue. The study examined the content of ethanol and contaminants in akpeteshi samples, revealing copper and iron levels beyond permissible limits. Although methanol and lead were not detected, the scientists warned that excessive consumption could lead to cancer development and other health problems. The researchers attribute the contamination to the use of copper pipes and alloys in its distillation process, highlighting the risk of toxic metal accumulation. They stress that akpeteshi abuse may harm consumers' cardiovascular systems, increasing the risk of heart diseases, stroke, and other conditions. The scientists call for a comprehensive approach to address alcohol consumption in Ghana, particularly among vulnerable groups like pregnant women. The study's findings underscore the importance of prioritizing public health and safety. The government and stakeholders must take immediate action to regulate the akpeteshi industry and educate consumers about the risks associated with excessive consumption. Na kpɔ TV dzi ko akpɔ be nyɔnuvi aɖewo ƒo xlã ɖe kplɔ̃ ŋuti afi ma. Wolé tukpa vovovowo ɖe asi. Nu yi kplɔm mi le kpi ɖe koe nye be emekuku yi ke UHAS viwo kpakple KNUST tɔwo wɔ yiwo ko ƒe gbalẽnyala gãwo Fidelis Bodo kple Nicole Cotain nyo ta de na ɖo kpe dzi be gatagbadze aɖewo kple copper, lead, wonye gatagbadze iron, plingo ƒomevi aɖewo, material aɖewo kɔ wɔna nui elabena woha ɖama wonana ha fiena gbogbogbo ke adzudzɔ alo dzoxɔxɔe ke dodom gegega etona gakpo aɖewo me. Gakpo yawo me tona ʋu kakakaka hafi gava fana va suna tsi. Ena be gakpo wuliwuli aɖewo wokli kɔ ɖe axawo me sɔŋ. Ena be ne ame kplɔ kpeteshiwo nɔnɔma ata tso dzidɔ, atso ʋu kame va miadɔ ale be ata tso gbagbadɔ hã. mana be dzidɔ vovovowo ele nyɔnuviwo ŋuti le míaƒe amu ŋutɔ me ke wogblɔm be dziɖuɖu ne to afɔ kpɔ anyi ale be woatsa kpetesi dzaƒe ɖe sia ɖe kpetesi wɔƒe ɖe sia ɖe ale be wokpɔ gbɔ be wowɔ nyuitɔ elabe gakpo wuliwuli mɔ yiwo ke me gakpo mɔ yiwo ke nye pɔpiwo yiwo ke me kpetesia tona ʋu hafi va trana va zuna tsifafi va zuna soɖabi alo deke le mi nɔnɔme ma eva ŋugblẽm le akpetesi nɔnɔ ŋuti ta bɔta sɔhewo atasɔ ne kplɔ mi bɔta nyɔnuviwo atasɔ ne kplɔ mi enuma manɔ mia ɖokuiwo wu ge. All right, Howide still traditional leaders installed in Kome, Shime Council. Alo Kome and Shime. 4 traditional leaders were installed in a grand ceremony in Srogbe within the Kome Shime Traditional Council. The newly installed leaders are Togbi Achibaglo Evelia, Mama Dewonu Evelia, Agbotadua Homenyo, and Nugogbua Nya Nyovo. According to Vertical TV, the installation ceremony was a colorful affair with traditional music and dance performances. The ceremony was attended by dignitaries and community leaders who came to witness the installation of the new leaders. So, okay, mi kpobe oro fia tohe ome naro le koma ntuome mi semianko dono na milo mi kpero nchi oklo dua alebe mi lebe no ono bejiji. All right. Cathedral costs spark controversy in Ghana. Cathedral costs spark controversy in Ghana. A heated debate has erupted in Ghana over the cost of the National Cathedral project, with claims that over $100 million spent could have completed half of the Swame interchange. The criticism comes from MP Abuja, who questioned the government's priorities in the statement directed at Works and Housing Minister Sensu Boakye. Agboja's comments highlight the public's growing concern about government spending on large-scale projects. The National Cathedral has been a subject of controversy since its inception, with many questioning its relevance and costs. The Swame Interchange, on the other hand, is a critical infrastructure project aimed at easing traffic congestion in Kumasi. And according to a joint news report, Agboja argued that the funds allocated to the cathedral could have made a significant impact on the interchange completion. Yirakwa governs Kwame Agboja, again had that put up where sort of Hamanola, Ganyamia Minister Ludo, war like a Kwana Modonyanji, like Ghana, Gogodo. A global, a gag, not $100 million, you can, oh, cho. Ba yo chochoga ko tu be ko gana mau ike omote tu alo gayo ke mo blashiro $100 million ba yo ko tu be ko na gama you do ko de Swame interchange kenya mo gang glajare ko dumur masing to ma la Swame gama o Swame project ofa kranto you blonya Sensu Boakye Kenya Minister for Roads maimo mahwe ne bobeku ejojo nyama bia de clinic pleto wazo dura nyama yike chacham la yavalogy le egbama ha. All right, still at home we day. Let me make me a whole with anka kwa me la fuma. All right, remembering Ebony Rains, a legacy lives on. A chwekava yenye Ebony Rains were a penny ke utro yida yo tobiobo. Ebony. Ubedi mi no Ebony fa haumo. A chwekava ya me openye entertainment lave so ofuncho Ebony nwalwebe alabe Ebony tro yo tobiobo apa enyenye avo. All right, so we see Ebony Rains also taking the front of the cover on whowede.com. So, entertainment lovers, you can go to whowede.com and check that out for yourself. All right, I don't know much about entertainment. Minister appeals for strike suspension. Minister Kwamafuma, Haruna Idrisu ekene Minister of Education juru potom keke kpona sukunyaji in happen no tata jejem le banaja fia. I think I'm interested in that. I'll read that in a jiffy. NDC slams Ayawaso by election conduct. Me fifi kwete, fifi fiavi kwete, no no matata kpoma fia kenya banaji glane National Democratic Congress. Jiru kemi apro Ghana. Birako. Fifi kwete pong ewe akpenono ike yijila ya also ispa ko iko da mama je gaji komo to gbo ba yo kwete mo ba baba jamene buja na kamle yo wala ba yo kwete shi ba me shama kule wo fiti fisiare me shama kwe daga amaro de kiwo gari amaro de kokloji ama shama na mare kule le nya onya te huma politicians akpakla vale ki ham kata gogudo no Ghana le Ghana gere afio yen ovazo empio ona na maru ta yo gere ngam bua ade fia gaka yo ne twene ma nya yo gbro le miagbo no po gania ye fo magbe miagbo roge mi fo gbada shisege ke na joma na nyamjolo over ke mobile money fo nya gala fia pan ton mobile money fo nya ekachi mafia mobile money revolution hits Ghana. Mobile money revolution hits Ghana. Many people abandoning their ATMs for mobile money booths. Tangi kwa mina kumanya amagaro ko kabacha chisiro mobile money togbo. Bi pokpombo fifia mobile money kra uba wom mo nyak pokpon agwe fia se vivio ko mo garem le kra makanye la mafia te ma wo fifia troshilum kwa mo umuga lo mbo yoga ide banko acho yo fa kadi via bano de dem amo mafia no gayom dogo amoyo gayom moma gayom mo kenye ATM maga chaji nom abale ke cha o le chano chane ATM card la show ke vio ka la show la banki gajaru fa ke na bano yo biswo mano card dem mano gayom lo pa o ma ngalifio ala fifia mobile money ekweba official fita fio ke ATM la half na bom recovery owarega half na bom recovery. All right, NDC moves to tackle vote buying. All right, idoko NDC to nyaga didi mafia panto nke oyo ya waso constituency for nyamagbo okpo ideje shibo ejebo yo da for ala yo atote gadada kpla mu po jisinya pople le akoda nyaume ta o chashi o cha amagakpi aro le patiame be o pota fu alo opeta alo roda na yo ale ke yo alo amomo gano gadama pa. All right, so I think we'll start from I think just a little one about Ebony. 8 years after her timely passing, the music of Ghanaian songstress Ebony Rains continues to captivate audiences. Her powerful voice and energetic performances had earned her a special place in the hearts of many, and her legacy shows no signs of fading off. According to Joy Digital, Ebony Rains burst into the scene in 2015 with her hit single Ko Na Yekoti, which became an instant anthem. So her subsequent releases on and on. So born Priscilla Opoku Kwateng, Ebony Rains was known for a dynamic stage presence and energetic dance moves. Her music once focused on the themes of love, relationships, and empowerment, resonating with fans across the region. And the artist's tragic passing in 2018 sent shockwaves through the Ghanaian music industry, with many paying tribute to her talent and dedication. However, her music has continued to inspire and entertain, with the songs remaining popular on streaming platforms and radio stations. All right, so Ebony Rain's impact extends beyond her music, with many young artists citing her as an influence. Her legacy serves as a reminder of the power of music to bring people together and transcend boundaries. So Ebony Rains Rest in peace. 8 years on, you still are remembered by many music lovers. Amilkalo, nkuhuhu hayo fia huhu nya oblom Ebony Rains ike jehadiji kung le 2015 ike ponko diale gbegbe ipenya ejele ya ojume aptoto amilkalo na mujaka de nya ya aku 2018 le fofokwa me le tubibi amechi mai mo na ko pa ka do ye po blava vo den yo ko mai ma Ebony ipenya ma. All right, let's go to something serious. Let's go to education. Minister appeals for strike suspension. The education ministers appealed to members of the University Staff Association, UNISA, to suspend their strike action as the government makes some payments yesterday. All right, so the minister made the appeal amidst ongoing negotiations to resolve the impasse. The strike, which has disrupted academic activities in Ghana's universities, was called by UNISA over concerns about salaries and benefits. The minister's appeal is seen as a positive step towards resolving the issue. According to the minister, the government is committed to addressing the concerns of university staff and is making efforts to meet their demands. We urge the staff to suspend the strike and allow negotiations to continue, the minister said. I Idrisu Bogromba, Jiru Jagbaka Garden, Ameokonya Gbanafifinya Lao, Dola, University, Achakawai, Gaia Hoyoka Monamianya, Kaka Idrisu Bogromba, Yora Kukulo Suku Koko. Pon fiala gbana pipi nyala plo po dolo kata le suku ko yora kukuna mitro de suku ko ma gbo ala be jiru jagba da shigaren china mi echo da na your bank alo na jo bank you go have some money da mitro de suku ro me afiem de you yora kukuna mi mira kuku. All right, so Idris Upanyama, let's move from education to politics. NDC slams are also by election conduct. NDC slams was so by election conduct. Let's look at something there quickly. Fifi Kwete, Fifi Kwete of the National Democratic Congress emphasized that the NDC is committed to upholding electoral integrity and ensuring that all parties adhere to the rules. He has stakeholders to work towards maintaining peace and stability in the electoral process. The Ayawaso East by-election had been marred by controversy with allegations of misconduct and irregularities. The NDC stance is seen as a call to action for all parties to ensure a peaceful and fair election. The Electoral Commission has been able to take a firm stance on any form of electoral malpractices. And according to the NDC, the Commission has a responsibility to ensuring that the electoral process is transparent and credible. The outcome of the by-election is being closely watched with implications for the upcoming general elections. Stakeholders are calling for calm and adherence to electoral laws. The NDC statement is a reminder of the importance of electoral integrity and the need for all parties to play by the rules. Fifi Kwete slams Ayawaso election conduct, and he describes them as inappropriate, and that the party will not tolerate any form of misconduct during elections. Her by-election ko ga miala ka huaro yo ka gbona ma panya chacha ma fian tontonto ira kwa Fifi Kwete go blongo agbanono ike iji amo agbanono yo ka iji le akoko da vaima manya so manya pon yo ka nye NDC pa po amaga hoho po amaga pio gbonu glawe hopelin ko gada malaka nyamui ka nyam fiti wona ike ma jo alaka gbegbe le NDC amapo eji Global Electoral Commission jiru kwa dado kwa na jagbagba or da for shavo plus ube fiti wona ya omaga iji le ko yo ke akoyo ko dagwa bonamo Global yo ma jimbe yo da ko kwa mono go ma ko ya da enya zã akɔdame tso ŋu me dze o ta yewo dzi be ame sia ame naxɔ yewo ƒe akɔdada wodzi se ame sia ame ke yewo tsã be no tikititi na yewo Esau takpe hama wonya be amea le ma ame ma dze ne dɔ ɖe ya ta egblɔ ne electoral commission be nutafɔkpɔ gblɔ ne yiƒe dɔwɔhatsiwo katã ke le ŋdi sia me be attention ne kplɔ no manyuitɔ. All right, so let's go to some social media trends. Nyaro Liga Chacham, social media trends. Bedford Days, Ghana's millionaires ride. Okay, we see something. Vuare, you can blame a bone shaker, achieve. Yeah, achieve. There's an article there on hoide.com. Bedford Days, Ghana's millionaires ride. That's a social media trend. If you you are interested in entertainment, you can go there. Okay, Gay rights advocate Miss Bell speaks out. Miss Bell Kenya Hajila le Ghana mojaka de la ya ƒom tsɔ be ame ke toto ƒom tso ŋutsuwo ke wozɔ kple wo nɔnɔewo. I don't think I'm interested in that news. All right, Agrada's sentence cut sparks outrage. Agrada's sentence cut sparks outrage. Lawyer do yo ke nye senyalawo le Ghana wode Agrada ƒe nkeke yiwo ko ne be ne yi ɖe ŋusawam ale be wòva kpɔ tohehe abe ame yi ke bɔko tso ɖevi alo ame yi ke dze kpolo tso ɖevi yi ke bla amewo ƒo ga wo si be ga dzi ge ɖe dzi na wo kple tɔ. Agrada wo nya dzedzem afia. Senyala aɖewo le Ghana be awo susu katã fia me dzeagblẽ ya ƒomevi na yi mɔ xɔ wova gblɔ be woko nya kɔ yi ɖe higher court alo ʋɔnudrɔ̃ƒe yi ke gakpe wu ɖe mata wo gbɔgblɔm be ŋka nye hi ne nɔ fi ma ƒe ɖeka ko nɔ trɔ gbɔ ga ava nɔ mɔ dome. Samson Ladia ye neni hã le ame mɔ dome eye me da asi ɖe ŋua dzi koŋu wòdze be nɔ fi ma osme pepe vie yo hafi agbe ƒoɖiƒo ma to go ŋkume nɛ. All right, Agrada's sentence cut sparks outrage and debates. Controversial Ghanaian televangelist Nana Agrada's 15-year prison sentence for defrauding church members has been reduced to just 1 year by Amasaman High Court, sparking widespread criticism and debate. The court upheld a conviction but deemed the original sentence disproportionate, citing the need for proportionality in sentencing. Takbira kwa Agrada ƒe nɔnɔmetata gadzidze mafia ya kple wo senyala ƒe senyala ƒe nɔnɔmetata dzedzem mikpɔkpɔ TV adza ƒe manke gɔmedze ʋɔnudrɔ̃ƒe aɖe yi ke kpɔna ŋugbegblẽ wɔlɔ tɔtɔtɔ adzoblaziwo ƒe nuwɔnawo me bia ne ŋku nya yi ke kpovitɔwo tsɔ ɖe Nana Agrada ŋuti be eƒe hamevi aɖewo va ne complain eye woƒo charge ne be egaxɔ me yosi eye wofi ŋa xɔ ga be gbedo ɖe gata alo ŋka wònye wo ga la hĩ ga na dzi ɖe dzi eve ne ŋkeke aɖewo dzi hã ga me dzi ge ɖe dzi o ega yi ke nye gatsia wòxɔ mo si hã megatrɔ go no ɖe ma ta wokume ʋu wokpe be amea nye ŋugbegblɔ la ɖe ma ta wodzi mɔ ƒe 15 ke vodomisi ʋɔnudrɔ̃ƒe ɖe ke gakɔ wu gɔmedze ʋɔnudrɔ̃ƒe ma gade ŋku nya me yi ke nye high court wogblɔ be ele me be Nana Agrada wo ŋugbegblẽ Nana Agrada ƒe ŋkɔ ŋuti mekɔ ele me nenema gake ɖe tohehe ke wotsɔ nea esugbɔ wu gbegblẽ kɔ ta ehiã be tohehea nasɔ kple vodada ɖe ma ta yewo ƒe deme be Nana Agrada enye ŋugbegblẽwɔla gake memɔ nɔ ge ƒe 15 ne nɔ anyi ƒe ɖeka ko efia be eƒe gbɔna ƒe gbalawo gbɔ hĩa edze be wònɔ si dem Nana Agrada ŋuti elabe ke eƒe ɖeka ko wòvɔ la gake senyala gã aɖewo be awola ame gblɔewo ame geɖewo he to nu nenema ɖe gbɔn fifi ta wole me va se ɖe gbã meɖoke ɖe asi ŋuti ta ɖe attorney general yi ke nye dziɖuɖu ƒe senyala gã ebubɔ tso nya fonya rete ale bo ga tsua ka ko ide voluntary ka ko wu vedo shi voluntary ai kenya appeal court alo an appellate court ale ogubwa mi agrada mi ono smabe. According to Pulse Ghana, Justice H.L. Solomon Opon-Chumesi, who presided over the case, emphasized that sentencing should be corrective, not vindictive, and that the trial court had not sufficiently considered mitigating factors. The court also fined Agrada 2,400 cedis. Takbirako. $1 H.L. Solomon Opon-Chumesi Globally. Amedede moa do dena memo persua amanatro. Tu hehe ko na me be ovazo prisoner lo mana prisoner lo okwa ma demori. Do woni le sem to so na ma dogo. To moma ozo ame ya lo ozo ame ka tro ozo mu o ya lo troji. Menye do hena tu na me persua yo woni na la mangu. Ta amena on gbegbe kaka tu ke na subo pa apa na ba anyina wala man ko na ma dogo mo me ha rukra ma ka tro na e ba bona ko atipra azu amaje kpolo wo cha le matari yo na we for the kako ocho 2,400 can 24 million akhe kakari Samson ladi ya yenini agblobe dedeleji ma ko wo maje komo ifa manyanyi. Legal practitioner Samson Ladia Yene has slammed the reduction, arguing that the High Court overlooked aggravating factors and failed to protect the public from such fraud. The Attorney General has the option to appeal the reduced sentence if they believe it does not serve the interest of justice, said Ayenemi. Agrada, founder of God's Way International Church, was convicted for defrauding the church members through a money doubling scam during a 2022 service. The original sentence was 15 years. So Agrada is trending here. All right, let's do maybe two more. Actually, Bruno Foley no Bonyafia. Le actually Bruno Foley no Bonyafia ikenye Barangton and Yafa Hochis for member of parliament. And Fire Amancia Central DC Bruno Foley, he said that Fire Amancia Central MP Bruno Foley. Chakawa yile na ikemi ona ikenye na po ingba TV ndi ona jia Bruno Foley ikadanyang the Nyapo Central member of parliament Adam Kofi Potosu Tepo Goglombe Amancia Central momefiama yeke no joga homla moshi bono ku galamse ajebo nyen mak eji globa yakra ne nye ya intone dashi don chikango ta lendima nyama domora. All right, so that's a Bruno Foley special to the whole Central Constituency MP has condemned the imposition of levies on artisanal miners using champagnes to destroy water bodies, calling for the District Chief Executive of Mancia Central, Emmanuel Ajeman, to face disciplinary action. According to Bruno Foley, the DC's actions contravene the Code of Conduct for office holders in the government of President Mahama. All right, so that's that. Kakama toraf mode, a chofin kakanawa, du koklola da for ika jujina magare, for code, a global. Yegado committee aralo takpehare anyi be ofonkure anyama alboro dam na yo mi oge yola ne o kabanto. All right, this is another big story. We'll do this one and go for a break, but don't you show yeah hoge mpola. Okay, messages are coming. Good morning from Moses. All right, me message zo khlage na gamasuta message no baba maga termi aji we makhne message a mako wana ya ji chofifia ikanya gandra hu warogao da message so khlawenye ga asheke miniti blane mami jana message so khlon le mata bagatre je okro no TV agbo la be wona atutu greji wuya. All right, I think the last one, NDC executive slam NHIS. I think this is another big story which we'll be looking at, and probably repurpose Galamsey machines help farmers. So NDC executive let them antoma NDC toga acharoda mafma let them ntoma NHIS office, National Health Insurance office ikala fuma over itui ala bo yo maro yo kenye NDC to yo kechu ro ke savone patia pe jiji baba yo ma chan yo pe amagaro bo no to fa mo. So NDC executive slam NHIS appointment. Tema Central NDC executives led by constituency chairman Benjamin Jakuma have locked up the NHIS office in protest over alleged exclusion from appointments. The executives claim recent appointments to the NHIS and other public institutions were made without consultation, overlooking qualified party members. So that's another one there. I'll quote the chairman. This is a clear case of marginalization and disregard for parties' interests, said the spokesman for the NDC executives. And the NHIS office in Tema Central serves thousands of beneficiaries, and the protest has raised concerns about the impact on healthcare services. The authorities have been urged to intervene and resolve the issue peacefully. The incident highlights ongoing power struggles within Ghana's political landscape, with allegations of exclusion and marginalization ramping up tensions. Let them ga dotom tano no yo tumono no Kenya nwa obo na domaro le NHIS alo jiru fo do fe pona konji famahi ji wo o chi amaro lo yo do mo cho do no o cho maro le temanto me be no wo no jiru do paro ha abo yo gbon gla yo kele tema chichina ma chang to ma o mo tere yo nbi egbe yo evo yo pe de se ba maro li o sugoso na do alo maro yo nye do alo maro yo ko nte ko wo pla do hele party ame fia bo je bo na do fi aka o to chi o to chu fa mo ka kotra do ho nyo da mata abono gla kele party anchi le tema to mo bo mo lo ganya majo ta wa tu NHI do fa lo do fe ke kona kadi nana be mi ko ji fuma hi ji be kabanto yo ma lo gereji ba of ma na oto ana ba mo gbogbo kan na film ma pe na no kan na film no mai no ko karo on pleto ala be kar ma ga pu no yo yi kon ji fuma hi yo po yo ko do no ta o mo te po mo popo pa o ko karo o mo o mo ta mbombo na na ke o jo ka ba ro ni jiru mo na ke cho mi amo aba gblem le do no nchi. All right, that manye big deal the car. All right, story really le te hovu waro mi ko bogan ma hodu mo chuchu bi ana ma trova nye ple nye amakoko toho mia ajo nyame agba jiru di to mi ado fugu ma to patakari ta na mo le batakari mo ko mo shoji babo. All right, ma hodu mo chuchu ma ba.
Life is deep, my brother. Life is deeper than you see, my sister. If only you knew. Life is full of challenges, don't forget that. Everybody fights battles they don't broadcast. They said he was caught butt naked in a bed. They called him a sinner, wrote his story as dead. But nobody asked if his soul was bleeding. Nobody cared what his heart was needing. A broken man cries with a silent tongue. The world throws stones, never asks what's wrong. When you see a man I saw diving in the sea, understand he knew the risk, still he took that leap. Don't be quick to judge, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew what the pain won't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too, yeah. phone, not seek a new one. With a woman with a torn slipper, not buy another. We try to fix what we never even broke, and when it can't be fixed, the love goes up in smoke. We are all hurting, scars we conceal, but the world claps loud when a brother falls still. If only you knew how I prayed through the night. My story fades like a teardrop out of sight. When you see a candle burning down to the base, don't laugh at the wax, understand the flame. Don't be quick to mock, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew where the scars don't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only, if only. Sky King says if only, if only you knew. You point your finger, but who heals the pain? You share the gossip, but who feels the shame? My tears a river, no eye has seen. Don't laugh at my story till you know where I've been. Oh, if only you knew. No man cries without a reason. We're all broken, but we're still breathing. If only you knew. The sky, can we rise by helping others? So feel your brother's pain. Life is deep, my brother. Life is deeper than you see, my sister. If only you knew. Life is full of challenges, don't forget that. Everybody fights battles they don't broadcast. They said he was caught butt naked in a bed. They called him a sinner, wrote his story as dead. But nobody asked if his soul was bleeding. Nobody cared what his heart was needing. A broken man cries with a silent tongue. The world throws stones, never asks what's wrong. When you see a man I saw diving in the sea, understand he knew the risk, still he took that leap. Don't be quick to judge, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew where the pain won't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only, if only. Sky King says if only, if only you knew. Would a man with a broken phone not seek a new one? Would a woman with a torn slipper not buy another? We try to fix what we never even broke, and when it can't be fixed, the love goes up in smoke. We are all hurting, scars we conceal, but the world claps loud when a brother falls still. If only you knew how I prayed through the night. My story fades like a teardrop out of sight. When you see a candle burning down to the base, don't laugh at the wax, understand the flame. Don't be quick to mock, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew where the scars don't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only, if only. Sky King says if only, if only you knew. You point your finger, but who heals the pain? You share the gossip, but who feels the shame? My tears a river, no eye has seen. Don't laugh at my story till you know where I've been. Oh, if only you knew. No man cries without a reason. We're all broken,
Our investigation began as whispers of an organized extortion scheme kept resurfacing, with stories shared quietly among miners who speak only in cautious tones. The fragmented accounts pointed towards a task force allegedly operating under the authority of the District Chief Executive of Amansia Central, Emmanuel Obeng Ajeman. According to the patterns we observed, miners were said to be paying 3,000 Ghana cedis for every Chanfan machine, one leg as it is termed, while others pay 30,000 Ghana cedis and more for every excavator in usage. Our investigation also uncovered receipts and warrant stickers being issued to guarantee uninterrupted illegal operations when payments were made.
The whole issue, I no more country and good police for them. If you go back, you go say, "Oh my, you do more for less than you can." Oh my, and the one that we see that says excavator 700 million. So if I know you for you, and no idea, and I can't ensure what this form of us with
These allegations demanded the deeper inquiry, but our strongest evidence came from a recorded phone call with the District Chief Executive. In the tape, he confirms that the task force collects monies and that it operates under his instructions.
Assembly may as DC, Mama na start when you so on ye. On our mining desk officer. It is a Aquanian, Tenosi Yan and Dia, fine, ye can't want them. And I'm going to say, the Benya already complaints is here. Or started Maui almost 1 month on one leg. Miners are on your many encounter. Ah, my friend, almost 20. One more friend encounter. Obi a wa frɛ me bia ni ho a me ma people ndi afrɛ malam me ka kyerɛ ne sɛ ene ne nkɔkasa na yama ne tumi ne so wonje.
It is at this point that we confirmed the cash payment in exchange for Galamsey. We met some illegal miners who detailed the exact process for making payments for Chanfan machines.
One machine money over 20,000.
Into no excavator bako
30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 300 million.
Masa.
One, and this would tell me, no, but 50,000, 60,000.
And I Chanfan,
That's a local and on the credit from a year, but this year in Africa. From your Saturday Ghana, money, but this year, no, master to be in the buy.
I know your wine policy excavate at 3,000 your wine policy managed by
your policy a best system. Not just the MPP come and the system also on my new program saying a blast was something nobody I give me the way she would cannot. Some I say, I don't yes here. I'm going to get the phone number. I do Mr. Galam saying near the end person. So, I assembly I'm passing the revenue. Our brother is here, brother.
The president needs to crack the whip on MMDCs within their localities. They are the superintendent heads of whatever happens at the local level. And mind you, Galamsey is not happening in Greater Accra. It's happening in the hinterlands. The communities where these MMDCs are caretakers and they hold power within that locality.
The consequences of this alleged extortion is palpable. While the country grapples with the Galamsey crisis, the Amansia Central District becomes a microcosm of how corruption can paralyze progress. This miner, Kofi Wusu, angry yet helpless, told us that his men were arrested because he hadn't paid to register his
machines. Next week. See, next week Monday nearby Nanka. I've been director so you've been Yabani. Say, name on coverage 1,000 Nanka or the 1,000 Nanka in Nanka Sassy and the way Danas.
After negotiating, he agreed to the 1,000 cedis. This was paid to the lead negotiator at the director's office. A sticker available to us is dated 18 August 2025 and marked number 097, which belongs to one of the miners.
Where date now was now? 18th August 2025.
How much the chair say?
3,000 per each. If you are two, the balcony or boy balcony.
Sinimi no nyina 6,000.
6,000.
Tiwe no, what the ball machine wa mo ba de no me.
No say apa more than 6 months. The over date now, January almost have to travel from
one leg, you know. Yeah. Last meeting, you know. Almost I say, yeah, started. And yet, and charge it most sticker. In addition to excavator. And see, I come and see, but not gazetting. And I know say, yeah. And sana, yeah, started, I did it. And after that meeting, no, me and mama authorization so mon print stickers no. Na on family site. Na the woman year no. A year, I think 6,000 or so.
One leg no.
Yes. Now it's 3,000 for every 6 months. And I'm actually almost a year last 6 months of the year. First part no, Ashebu. And a year. And sometimes it's kind of hard. And not almost easy.
This offends 1,000 regulations and more. Not only in terms of financial management within the country, in terms of approvals that need you to be engaged in a business endeavor like this, but it's and this is one of the things that I'm actually also interested in seeing the repercussions of this. Whether or not what you're going to find is that these are monies that are going into the assembly's coffers, or that the assembly itself has transformed itself into some agent that is just doing private business, using the facade of the assembly to cover.
Yo, me apa nukula da pana me ba multimedia pa mmajujuale multimedia onye TV station ba mi o ko alabo o ajame mmakukware o do kwaji ba this year there no tax on la moshi alabo na ho tax alo hoga alo permit alo kuma biko ke ba mo no ino ba ku shika lon ba ku galamse yabo miketa mi yabo no galamse kuma model yozana ko bikan kwanye chamfan ta oba kuna galamse agbleto fa no 6,000 cedis alo 60 million alo no gama assembly nana sticker bana viare li ocho danare o chamfan onji le moyo zamole avant le to ji nana ba okuna galamse o pale ne le to ma fa o pale na shika to ma albato tenglena numa enyang makuku ke mi ba ekpofia ke asare donko Erastus asare donko ekenye environmental journalist alonya jojo mlola ke funa kurenia pe gologio pe de jinono ya uma to go pe gologio katama mila pe de jinono hapum agboglomba pide kwa galamse ko kuma jimle egin galamse ko kuma jimle go ejimle nya pokofo ma nya po to ma ke mo me fia ke lento ma mo nya me o sesen alo buna alo nya me o ke me shema kpona ba o nya me trako yo ke nya amagat yo ke la jirudu fo tefwe alo la du kopla tefwe tanu gara me o jia ala bobo ba me o ke district chief executive yo ke le mi ape assembly alo afiaro yo no ba council o wono amorem namu ta adoli miawo cho galamse kukumiam ko nyaya ye nyanya gbanto mama jibe mi ajo gba na yali nyanya gbanto evelenya press statement ade alo press release ade ike dogo echova ide kwa Honorable Fifi Kwete ikenye Agbalajigra Ghana National Democratic Congress alo NDC la Ghana kata globodo opong chokle nyajojo kakala ona minya be akweko dala ya also isma ikema gadada ble TV na 32-inch television ono mamam na kodala alo delegates alo amekenya akamichio kele party ameko badanako bikpobe TV no hatomana maro gochoba no yime alba misse ha be on 30 million alo 3000 cities missa kwaklaba be on gayao amaro ho bo ho ga ho mavuvu ore o miyo katava na be ba Honorable Fifi Kwete ikenye General Secretary le party ya papo domangro bana be agbana ma nye majagaji ta yo amakuga alaba yo rukbaji be mi ayi jiha na yo wevo afo ke yo da yo di mak mikbo fo sukwachi ikenye minister lo jiru democratic pana communications alo anyakaka alo nyamde de na ya du koplola ko ham lo bana be mak baba jamali ikenye Ghana pe envoy ambassador high commissioner to Nigeria magano do wako mamu ta yo recalling alo yo ogbe ba pe ta yo na gbo ba pe a se ba ra se o do me ma majiji yo baba Jamal antong lo gba ne dakpene jidudua ble e pe agbonu gra kenya to kopla John Dramani Mahama ba na mo popo ya nye envoy to Nigeria ke zorangwa eji gbaba imong gbabla karo ma che salon manu samarako yemamaga yemadega baro jingara kamali along le diara kamali ikota no tereje koto ya globa ya yo gbabla ko kaka idakona do kopla ba na imong bopoma enfokia ekomiga sebe majority caucus in parliament o ke ganye NDC so takwa hamanolo o be yo ba itakwa ko madanglo chomwanche wa yo pe ba je bo yo ha yo dang nyam ta o chogba na dare dwaja be muhyo la ya also isti Kenya gadada gamama bele akodalo po jichinya popular manye amikeje patia remata no tefrira kodada katame no kumo poba makamanya makawe ho won gbegbelma o halo deganem le ganagbona gbomo amakawe me TV plato no pomo de jesia wa tefro pon kome bosuba no bubu akoda ma odu motorke ma tem anu akodada mo o tu motorke pon mo alon koma jele ho biblamo kame ko nchiko ame ko mo fiti ko okwe atem aje la akoda da oname ta nyama ye notuame echoha ke echo ke baya minya be NDC le Ghana kata glogodo o be echon ke kama fi nke kama na wunko aje be ame ko o chia be o denku wona ya ma para ban gbagla do ijela ya also Easter o je be na yo nchocho ta o chogmana tare do aja kan chocho ko ba na agbonu gran yo kele NDC amekpire kwenye bo amukata kule ke no akoda ho bibli mamela ya so Easter o kata de gakle mar kanchi mako kan me ke vuto kan ba maro de gauro remata nya joka kala o na mon popo honorable Fifi Kwete be wopun ade yo susua gblocho kuku keijin alaba echo ke ba ya nya joka kala kata TV station kata mi fofu alaba mile Fifi Kwete ponfo darani ta majiba mi asemi ke Fifi Kwete ha gblo cho akoda ho publique ijela ya also istinchi af matroba na matroba nya ile GBC Ghana online, I my joy online, I got the city. A bunka nya jojo gbare he ya okatame. Afina ilia, nya garo ma jojo me magbona.
Let me just say that the long and short of the report was this, that inappropriate conduct was exhibited by virtually almost all the candidates. Even though you cannot establish, because the candidates were clear that what they did was in light of motivating of a delegate. We believe that was inappropriate. So in the light of that, the committee's report was to the effect that ideally we should have an annulment of the primaries. However, the committee also acknowledged that there are real obstacles that make it difficult for us to do that. One, the party's constitution does not have a provision for an annulment of election. Two, we are time bound because we need to be presenting a candidate by tomorrow to the Electoral Commission. So given these difficulties, and also there are legal challenges that could be mounted by whoever won, and the party clearly will not be able to go through any of that process without presenting a candidate very quickly. So in the light of that, the party effectively has taken the recommendation, which is that we, given the time and also the legal challenges, we have no option but to present Baba Jamal, who actually won according to the Electoral Commission declaration.
Yo, Nyapan Pola, Honorable Fiavi Fifi Kwete for a Nyande Mamis, Quira Cogblumba, Move, Vaso Kuhena, yo, Le Majujo, Le Makupu, Le Darani, Cho, Mano Samuel Gagile, I also is Toma, Nchi, Bantonia. Yo Pudesh were Aljaba, your Tafrida Kodadan. Yaka yo parti for ser que ma mulo alek yo fete gra kota dame planike nyama hagebe afin susui keta yo fete gra kota nyama ma parti for mule da nyarke malinan ma yikanya ase yikaji yotam achachi tero ta alam bo yo pomba ukata kule yo kanya amatomo yo ke do taraba yo no tiketi jine NDC le ayaso East ay parliament yo kata yo pobo kata on gbeglare committee alo ma gamgak yo ke no takpepe ama yo ke fo bedashi jiwom yo la o pede se ba jibo tefre akodada ma gakka ku kenya ba esekaje yo achite geography we alo yo fo party ama wo sare kana na ma ko dadi la yo pe parti apa boklo du hak plo seare kemalina mo ke ai jiblo be acho ikanya gbai ke mi le fian fum ikanya pojimu va pen ke bi kagwa ajeba yona Electoral Commission na nya make ticket ji no gana yo kpama ha asase ala be ne yon to yo metena make ticket ji no ga la na yo penko Electoral Commission ka la kana ko la do fi Electoral Commission ata yiji alwe wo awo ho bebla ke MPP to pla mamamle o ke a do taraba yo no ticket ji ai parliament le to ma order owe ara ta ba jo MPP to re kra ko bona yiga no pos akpama anyen sesare ke yo meten yo manyale ke yogo wunwa amota chosere yo nchila mo vovonta yo peda yesiboko yo na rashimwa nchiko to gbobo nwa bira pare kokoko ha yo na rashon chi alabo wayingo alabo dakwa ta egba ke mi no anyi le mfonfia ajaba la awa lo gapopo pia roma miap Electoral Commission aho ame Kenya Baba Jamal Fonko Adem as the parliamentary aspirant of the NDC. Majijio won koma choga kwa electoral commission. Kenya akoda dofa ukogademo be Baba Jamala yanye your parliamentary candidate. So I think those are the two big things for today. Mea de GBC Ghana Online akbo nyajujuka le fuma dia na mi chofuma me by Joy, Natural Joy, Aida City. Then we'll be getting ready to move to something else in our programs for today. All right, GBC Ghana Online. GBC Ghana Online. GRA says new VAT regime will not raise spare parts prices. GRA says new VAT regime will not raise spare part prices. That's a big story there. President Mahama pledges to continue the rural electricity program in Bolgatanga. President Mahama pledges to continue the rural electricity program in Bolgatanga. And the third big story there, President Mahama announces 1 billion Ghana cedis Boku Restoration Fund to consolidate peace and development. President Mahama announces 1 billion Ghana cedi Boku Restoration Fund to consolidate peace and development. Takbira kwa GBC Ghana Online make over VRA says new VAT regime will not raise spare part prices. GRA, Ghana Revenue Authority, Boglombe, VAT alojo gaye yoke yoga detuma ba yono home. The amiyoko jajan le fiaso me fiasa gaum mark blenaneke le hufanchi muonchi o. So the Ghana Revenue Authority says the newly introduced value-added tax regime will not lead to higher prices and unfair competition. So that's that. Miaide My Joy Online, Yakobon Kawile, Afuma India, My Joy Online, My Joy Online. $185 million unpaid. LBC say Cocoa Board owes them for 2 seasons. $185 million unpaid. LBC say Cocoa Board owes them for 2 seasons. That be the name My Joy Online. A guy license buying company. So yeah, I think I got that right. License buying company. So the president of the Licensed Cocoa Buyers Association, yes, Samuel Adimado, has disclosed that license buying companies have not received payments from the Ghana Cocoa Board for 2 consecutive seasons, with arrears estimated at $185 billion. So, Gaika Cocoa Board, Jirufa, Dopeka Pana Cocoa Blade Play, Epa, Poor Play Ghana, G. Dule, Ameoka Placoco, Chok Blow, Jivajran and Jirura. $185 million. Nye gaika jiru dope ke pana koko bade nyao jidu le nyacho kwa koko bla de launch. All right. What's the point in issuing statements? Franklin Kujo criticizes NDC over Baba Jamal U10. What's the point in issuing statements? Franklin Kujo criticizes NDC over Baba Jamal U10. All right, Baba Jamal Golo. But nana kama blan le nananchio na mi don kuje akoiko da le memra agbama Baba Jamal pe campaign team global ya makona ka mi ka blan le nana amonchio kaka amagba agaba no gban le blagada cho yon ko dar gbanata be yema wongbagla ko yema wongbagla ko ka Franklin Kujo ikenye imani do kwa ike dena kwa Africa kataglogo do kwa dunya ome gbogbombe Baba Jamal fo ya de mole nka pa fo de mole ntu enye na gbonya onya na nyareka onya tepe gbonya tepe eke na globe mokpona ke le mama na mo nchi wa magba na ka do go You have to go ahead and do it. Suspend it now, university non-teaching staff. Teaching unions reject GTech retirement directive, warn of disruption. So there's another difficult issue here. Suspend it now, university non-teaching unions reject GTech retirement directive, warn of disruption. A group of non-teaching unions in Ghana's public universities has called for the immediate suspension and review of a retirement policy issued by the Ghana Tertiary Education Commission. We need some details to this. The group warned that failure to withdraw the directive could disrupt the academic calendar. In a joint statement signed by the union's leaders, including Michael Owusu-Ansah, George Anson, Stanley Abopam, Salamatu Brahima, Ken Yelibo, and Gerald Anamgonja, the unions described GTech's policy as unfair, arbitrary, and discriminatory against non-teaching employees. The unions insisted that they were not consulted before the policy was developed, arguing that the directive was imposed without engagement with representatives of affected staff. They also rejected the impression that non-teaching employees do not matter in the governance and management of public universities. And according to the statement, on and on and on. All right, so GTech, yo tukara bobo fanyaro ka o ka gboro GTech kenya jiru podo pana suku koko for mfianya for afford kataji la Ghana kata aba povito na suku koko kata la Ghana kata gbogbo fanyare gale fia o ko doma gan o gan lo gbane ko dare du aja bire ko gbogbo mba GTech ga for dem ba yo maro yo ke o faro no rashi yonchi yo ile retirement fanya kaka ya ma jejina o no ma wecho nka mi nya mjoge alabe mi akbonya ranwere ECG to cut power to parts of Accra West in February 11 for plant maintenance. Okay, la game to ma jiru podo pe kenana mi akadi gbogbo yo juchiga la gen oparo again for jepo baji oparo. All right. We've pre-financed cocoa for 7 years. LPC say banks are owed more than farmers. Then Baba Jamal case offers opportunity to monitor money in politics. Suleiman Brahima. All right, let's quickly jump to City, and we'll be done there quickly, very, very quickly. All right, the City News, headlines called Fumaha. New VAT regime will not increase consumer prices. GRA targeted interventions, jobs and education key to reversing food insecurity. Ghana Statistical Service. BOJ inaugurates committee to oversee listing of banks on GSE. Mahama convenes cabinet meeting to tackle cocoa sector crisis. Valco producing less than 25% of capacity since government takeover in 2008. Guidex CEO. Backbench slams MPs for low attendance, urges commitment to parliament. Police in Boko threatened to resign if not transferred. Muntaka reveals why NDC vote buying committee didn't cancel Ayawa, so his primary is also here. And Abin moves former NEIP CEO to unknown location, lawyer confirms. Standing me the city, Miracle. Nyajo joma ekecho jare dopa be gaye yo kenya joka dam yorele fiasa gan pon jajoji ma agbana kecho ofufan gbagbon fashion cho ajeja mafia ke jiru pa dopa ke dananku miapa duapa dowo nyao asio ple domakpo ponyao gagbanyao kata magboglombe. Targeted interventions, jobs and education key to reversing food insecurity. Ajaba do word real suku de plateau na ijila Ghana alwebe alabe owa glomba du konyo yon tu kwa ka domelu mokata na be du komana. All right, BOJ inaugurates committee to oversee listing of banks on GSE. Gajarapo Gown for nkuka alofa alo gado fo yike na be GSC fanya jeje mafia wo glomba pota kajaro fo de amaro to mabe odanku banka we gante fo me be ora mono ogere ashigama albo otalonku gaga ple akowo for the right. Mahama convenes cabinet meeting to tackle cocoa sector crisis. That's a big deal here. Mahama jeje mafia Mahama it's here and egba kemilon afia nfoma takpopo gan regime lege kira kwa Mahama takpon play for minister so cabinet minister so no okpole ke yo putane koko developer gayo ke jidudu dula ngalo jiruwa dofa dulon chigegle Valco producing less than 25% of capacity since government take over in 2008. Kydex CEO. Okay, Jirupa Dofeka then I'm coming up with Jokari. Pule if one say Dofu Magogomba Lekba Wakbever playing 2008 make a Jiru Dashi Yopa Donama Dopa Tapo Edialabwe Alawe Nanya Jokari Fonse Alofaraka Jabba or Achoane Dukokata Afi Mashama Nakbujo Aweber door. Abe Jokari Ponce mama en ikenye blabavo aton edididale mse ke tukokatan pokpom right backbing ikenye Speaker of Parliament as a very members onchi backbing sabava leke gbegbere if members of Parliament onchi alabe woman Parliament vam kaba negama sube okbeta le sauta kwa hame ademo chumi apo sonchi kle me pa garuronchi ya MP gere magava vam ta manye vovesa sene Backwin. Police in Boku threatening to resign if not transferred. Muntaka reveals Muntaka in a Jew for the Pona Povito for the Genono Jiboblombe. La Bokunto me feka hunyan le jigara mino sama Bovito ko re ya fuma go glomba no ma de yo cho Bokunto kwa into bubumo ka yo ashida ga Bovito nchi yo ashida ga Bovi do wo nchi Muntaka ikenye minister lo jiru do maka ka pona Bovito for de no ji Bovito border srafo ple agba la boda jigbate chola mo kata ko agba lo fa joga koko mo kata fo dona ji gbogbombo povito yo kele bokua ojibi mala gbegbere ji runchi bano de yo dal boku e mama no me yo do fa wa kwachi yo maganya povito azon. All right, so I think those are the things we have here. Nkpolo for Ganyi miniti blane alawe makbo miapo mchucho recovery yoke mirurami ko miacho wona akokwachi don kujiba kwa Engba TV kwa wona enye aji mile Tony McBoy enye ya plomile egbe kwa wona me. All right, makbo messages ora good morning.
Our investigation began as whispers of an organized extortion scheme kept resurfacing, with stories shared quietly among miners who speak only in cautious tones. The fragmented accounts pointed towards a task force allegedly operating under the authority of the District Chief Executive of Amansia Central, Emmanuel Obeng Ajeman. According to the patterns we observed, miners were said to be paying 3,000 Ghana cedis for every Chanfan machine, one leg as it is termed, while others pay 30,000 Ghana cedis and more for every excavator in usage. Our investigation also uncovered receipts and warrant stickers being issued to guarantee uninterrupted illegal operations when payments were made.
The whole issue, I no more country and good police for time. If you go back, even though some more years more for less in the town, and the one that will musica says excavator 700 million. So if I know you to for you, and no idea, and I can't ensure what this form of us with
These allegations demanded deeper inquiry, but our strongest evidence came from a recorded phone call with the district chief executive. In the tape, he confirms that the task force collects monies and that it operates under his instructions.
Assembly may as DC, Mama na start when you're so on one of your mining desk officer. It is a Aquanian, Tennessee, Yan and Dia, fine, ye can't want them. And I'm going to say, the Benya already complaints is here. Or started Maui almost 1 month on one leg. Mine is on your many encounter. My friend, almost 20. One more friend encounter. Obi a wa friend bi eni ho a me ma people on dia frɛ malam me ka kyerɛ ne sɛ ene ne nkɔkasa na yama ne 2 minutes wonje.
It is at this point that we confirm the cash payment in exchange for Galamsey. We met some illegal miners who detailed the exact process for making payments for Chanfan machines.
One machine money over 20,000.
Into excavator baako
30,000. 30,000. 30,000 million.
Masa.
One, and this will put a million, no book might do 50,000, 60,000.
And a Chanfan,
That's a no kind of show.
And on the from a young but this year in Africa. From your Saturday Ghana or money, but this year, no master to be in the buy. I know master TV.
I know your wine policy excavate at 3,000 in wine policy.
Your policy, a best system. Not just the MPP come and the system. Also, a man, my new for Galamsey blast, who was something nobody. I give me the way she would cannot. Somewhat I say, I don't yes here. I'm going to get the phone number. I do Mr. Galamsey near the end person. So, I think I'm something I'm passing the revenue. Oh, brother, it's here, brother.
The president needs to crack the whip on MMDCs within their localities. They are the superintending heads of whatever happens at the local level. And mind you, Galamsey is not happening in Greater Accra. It's happening in the hinterlands. The communities where these MMDCs are caretakers and they hold power within that locality.
The consequences of this alleged extortion is palpable. While the country grapples with the Galamsey crisis, the Amansia Central District becomes a microcosm of how corruption can paralyze progress. This miner, Kofi Wusu, angry yet helpless, told us that his men were arrested because he hadn't paid to register his
Next week. See, next week Monday nearby Nanka. I've been director and support. You've been Yabani. Say, and then go 30,000 Nanka for the 1,000 Nanka in Nanka Sassy. And then the Ganas Nanka Monday in Nanka.
After negotiating, he agreed to the 1,000 cedis. This was paid to the lead negotiator at the director's office. A sticker available to us is dated 18 August 2025 and marked number 097, which belongs to one of the miners.
Where date now was now? 18th August 2025.
How much the chair say?
3,000 per each. If you are two, the back home boy back home.
Sinimi no nyina muti a 6,000.
6,000.
Ti we no what the ball machine wa mo ba de no me.
No mo say for more 6 months. The over date na January almost have travel from mine.
One leg, Yeah. Last meeting, almost I said, started, and yet, and charge it most sticker. In addition to excavator. And see, I come and this year, but not gazetting. And I was and Sana, yesterday, I did it. And after that meeting, no, me and Mama authorization so mon print stickers no. Na omo pamba site. Na the woman year no. I think 6,000 or so.
One leg no.
Yes. Now it's 3,000 for every 6 months. And I'm actually almost a last 6 months of the year. First part no, ashebu. And and sometimes it's kind of hard. And
this offends 1,000 regulations and more. Not only in terms of financial management within the country, in terms of approvals that need you to be engaged in a business endeavor like this, but it's and this is one of the things that I'm actually also interested in seeing the repercussions of this. Whether or not what you're going to find is that these are monies that are going into the assembly's coffers, or that the assembly itself has transformed itself into some agent that is just doing private business, using the facade of the assembly to cover.
Yo, mi ha fatto quello da quando con i batti qua in Giona, mi ha detto che sono mi suo, mio che mi ha fatto a San Giona, un po' la bomba, io pago quella da Hamse, io Hamse in Taka, in Cimo, io avevo la San Giona, carrément mi può, la mancia insomma, ya tax home l'impôt va from 6,000 to 60 million. Le quand tu couleur, je suis on va de sa champagne et gagner tableau quand c'est pour mourir pour parler je sais pas ko obi ona onya ha mais ça on a gabé on est organiser assembly special item alors now still a popular o champagne ya na me o kenya galamse kulo ule now bo bi to ko amamo na mo pe ko mo ta nya ko kamako mo da afuna o enya na ne ke ko ni junya au to cho manchi ile atia da fungu do ko directive are ke cho popular ko abine ya amle karbaro ko nya ko le Dr. Cho ang sama ke ya ko dane ya so is anytime from video ala wezo
bana ko yo akbe nyabele doji yo adu bane nupola kata Yawile Doji. Then this idea, we call for more than the Vimba TV. And they will born ketology la du come. Le Madu Benemia to NDC Topete. The Yawile Doji. But me whom you have a registration. Ne, I make it all when you get the NDC party. Yeah, what on I contacted me have a branch secretaries way. Kemi wa angolo fen ko de mi ape agbana me. One now a cat. If you have a out on NDC towe. Akpe mi awele doji. Ye galamsi nya ya cho gomeja mi ape president iPhone cho. Be emosi amonu he atu be galamsi netoa. Ya tu be galamsi ato. Ta mi probe eda for the way. Ejogumecho water guard to eji. Be o recruit water guard to le community sketo alo eduya alo kofe ya o mi probe galamsi LG adu le fima enado water guard ameya obewano efima ano fima zo isi ayi be no po enu ma to gbe LG ya wako etoji na setowe be wana be enuma ato ta doya LG menye ben kekedika doyo because Ghana ekpe forest okpe pelechi okpe ta meda to ba abede tepera no enu wa vide api wa banyala ta menye kekedika doyo ta doya iseselesi LG ya so enu ya jola mansia west anuko wabe even though be e defuvie ya because mi poleke galamse le mi afechi echi ugbelen and at a point le takra di play to nuto me wini ba Cape Coast play to wa nchome pop enuke de doc video dewe Ghana Water Company to le ko yifa alegbegbe ya nata be yo meton le chi treat nwedo le chi supply chi ojebe le ko jebe never because of le ke chi food chome and hopefully to me chef ya chemicals ke suno ko le ewagbe ya pe ko makwa me chemicals bio at the end of the day chemicals wa mawa do le chieme avamiano da eno ya elefude imaton gbe mi le vota le fiu me le galamse wo le fiu ta mi ya me le mi affect no amoda na gbele le area maome e chemicals o plutôt ina de nuludu o me cabbage o nu mawo o fite o ko ko le chacha akwa fi mi pasi o me mi acha mi apply it's a national issue o je be mi apite mi address sigbe ya nata be he president here announce be illegal galamsey fight be head on mi apite mi da sideji and so intro documentary ke hedoa no ko wa be MCA la ba DCA ba ko do ke le situation ke me he wa be va inherit no kake ho va inherit ya no ko jebe du pro la pese ke ho ko daran
Minister for Local Government, Chief Council and Religious Affairs, Ahmed Ibrahim. All right, Mark would want you to for
Let me just say that the long and short of the report was this.
Our investigation began as whispers of an organized extortion scheme kept resurfacing, with stories shared quietly among miners who speak only in cautious tones. The fragmented accounts pointed towards a task force allegedly operating under the authority of the district chief executive of Amansia Central, Emmanuel Obeng Ajeman. According to the patterns we observed, miners were said to be paying 3,000 Ghana cedis for every Chanfan machine, one leg as it is termed, while others pay 30,000 Ghana cedis and more for every excavator in usage. Our investigation also uncovered receipts and warrant stickers being issued to guarantee uninterrupted illegal operations when payments were made.
The whole issue, I no more country and good police for them. nti ọba even though sɛ ɔmo a ɛyɛ adwuma ɔfo na ɛsi nya nipa ɔmo mma ɛyɛ ɛdi ɔmo da ɔmo sika sɛ excavator 700 million sɛ nipa no ɔyɛ ade bɔnni o ɛno nyɛ ade ayɛ ha ɛna taako no nso a ɔmo de kɔ ɔmo fa so ɛyɛ
These allegations demanded deeper inquiry, but our strongest evidence came from a recorded phone call with the district chief executive. In the tape, he confirms that the task force collects monies and that it operates under his instructions.
Assembly may as DC mama na sa kwenya na so onkonko ye. Ona we mining desk officer. It is a akwenya se na osi ya na nya dia fine ka ho asem. E na meka jo say the benya o raise complaints here. O start ejuma we almost 1 month ni on one leg ni. Miners are on your encounter. Ah, my friend no. Omo bro 20. Omo friend encounter. Obi a wa friend bi eni ho a me ma people in their friend malam. Me ka che ne say ene ne nko kasa. Na ya ma ne 2 minutes so onje.
It is at this point that we confirm the cash payment in exchange for Galamsey. We met some illegal miners who detailed the exact process for making payments for Chamfan machines.
One machine money over 20,000.
Into no excavator bako
50,000, 40,000, 50,000, 300 million.
Masa
One, and this will put a million, no book my doing 50,000, 60,000.
and a Chamfan.
Chamfan is 3,000.
That's no kind of show.
And on the credit from a year, but this year you have from your Saturday Ghana or money, but this year you know, my Saturday buy. I know my Saturday.
I know your wine policy excavator 3,000 your wine policy.
Your policy, a best system. Not just the MPP come and the system. Also, oh man, my new for Galamsey a blast. Who was nobody? I give me the way she would cannot.
Yo, akpene me pon polo kata be mi ga Portugal mi le be impati biji. Ni akomle me pati bi oje nye Galamsey tax. Galamsey lempo ajoga ke district executive ebe ya e hohoge le Amansie Central. Amansie Central. Nyama mekmemile ko honorable Gano anwa madambo akpeni pa be pene mianchi ga kimi magbe ko e ko woji dudu yo no nyi va ya vai e o an va fi ajiru ye va reset agenda e o memile wenye reverse agenda yota mai ga magbe anyade anwa glore te bare
ape na be leke no gbla yes me no gblo be mi a reset mi a stopping ga ke no ko wa be enyemako be MC a na Amansia Central abeho to bylaws asigba hole wa ho to even though it's a bylaw assembly pe bylaw ye be amo ketol f moving machine equipment or in Galamsey activity assembly net task we ne for ga
Chamfan
me Chamfan de che yo
be Chamfan de po video it's a Chamfan video
o me se Chamfan
ma pa ko yanamla
Akpama yana. Ame ya ole machine ma uzan ko le Galamsey wa no tax we because amount reach from 3,000 kabado 6,000 ma hey yole. Tanoko wa be yes even though be bylaws only amoko ekono do since way back about 2 years at least the president agenda be no stop it. If there is any bylaw as such which is against the president's directive. Maybe as the DC, I don't take action there as to how me aton act or the chombe. You might continue. Nuke henyen wegle hemi batua. You might continue. So the fact that yes, any new heleji who yape the current administration by actually ever play a nubu bue, play directive we play agenda we. That here back to you who lesi bekra. At least wa komojine ngogbobo he back to anuke leji yeke. Tadele you away, maybe a help in the assembly of IGF split already, lay you away because now you continue is against the objective play of the president. Give me one advice, then you pick it from there. Kaka abeme ijisibo and you continue. At the end of the day, explain government very okay the good thing yes it will be quite investigative and then who here be amaya who here be no punisher then you are punished accordingly allow to serve as reminder but yes never to know the who nyanu be glen elegy year at least wa komogene he ameke to hina do but yes even though be objective enye be na yo wole kake he ba to do a nuke elegy lo to ho gbedeke le yo awe ever help na you pa je put already ever le chi explain let's show be that kind of collaboration good discussion mawa ya may you ya na tabe obaso abe because at the end of the day akpobe gala is something that is this year va galo a guy is paid into assembly over account
hold on ni kata manjibana ya pamanya emu evei jim emi le fia nyataka ka kwevaro miagbo
okay
investigation aspect ga counter ga assembly agbo egegana counter ma ayo yimde pe akataba ide egere ma ke egere me de auditors o kunya akwenta ma jurolori over drama o pe nene ma ama investigation established ke news reporter ayo ko holas yede egere assembly of accounts ma na gedide auditors over pe ke yo pe de nko wochon I will expect a serious minded government to give us answers.
Yeah, sure.
Any bunch of people investigating this thing must answer this question.
Oh yeah, sure. Let's open up for investigation, sir. At least I provide more clarity because yes, there is account which a bank will like pay them, and so auditing it shouldn't be an issue. The use of those funds were is very important. Since open for investigation, na be me block. Imaka yime fun that the only thing be me global okay whatever investigation uncover then we pick it up from there
yo me pon polo mi po video ada honorable fifi abi kwete for nforo fo na ya jojo kakala ochoba yi ku have ye ku de afo ike yodo be ode so ngmanu sanwe o ke ijile ayaso east pa ko ko dama yo pede shibe ame o kata kule no ho bibiama odega o jagba be o chuga ko ple chichinya na akodalo ikenye ngma no sang voa le yo fasema le patia fasema yo me we kotwe sare kali ke jo ta no tera gogo nenyi ale jo a bo tefrire akoda mo chunwomo ala be electoral commission e gbo ho ba me ebuje and amama he's a electoral commission e gbo na ba me ale ebuje so that's it there's a bigger law backing that one gaka yo fe smaller law ha leke yo da for afia yi gbo ni electoral commission leke yo oga sama madam penu vele agba ikemi no refia kenya ko jinwo va pon keke bi de kagbe o jebo yo cho ameka yo cho you be all just orango anadwa katanya alaba akoda da na jego kene yo ba so mre mo gberi yo monya leke ononogo no mo ponyo wa cho sere yo nkra na yo ba ibo ma nya ra tere ji de mata yo pede sigbe an poto ro eje gaka yo na ko ba pa jama ko de mako ni ade mi o party o ta don reji fia
akpe vote buying na menyegbe ujegomo and even though be nele party help gake mekpo be ejebe ni susu to mi nyape eje mi tro susu nyape mindset ejebe mi wa dolon vie ne menye sigbe wa ne mi le global ke party ke le wala ima ton solve issue bere ima ton address issue ya ta nya Ghana to a ejebe susu to tro ye de never ekpo for example ncho hia mi hono before ma va mi atogbo hono MPP to presidential primaries wa ameda hoga ya be you are hoga because after election you make America football that is the mindset fake mi Ghana to pete sigbe pomilema be yes ne hia mi eva no campaign kaka na vote never at the end of the day, even though your phone, crash my pico, they do message, check my respond. That the only time he are benefiting, the election, do you know here if I look at a voter, yeah, I get it. The first of, I'm going to political appointees or appointment or organization. Allow me take up that responsibility that we are there to represent the people. That at least, even I have your way, let problem at hope, at least now I mean some kind of hope. Kaka enu ya MLGU, yeah, it will be difficult. Let me stop vote buying because LGU. And I'm a person to vote now. That is the end. So my sense change. Very important. Now, me change my mindset. So now, if you're going forward, the political parties will not call and no ope dodo alo ope sell me. Then you bobe alo you sebenane josi beala afoketo you are deke. Then he may jisigbo. He may jagba he regulate vote enu ya oheleji wa. Then ma talk. And me wonder be vote buying leto tobe. At times omele o be na beleke himnya to tafra chembe po baba jama play TV mawa. Maybe Meleji Besibo. Anoji la jame. Already the so I'm even a game by my vote. Drivers of butter trade. Milewawa. So for me,
I never blown.
Oh, no bad blown.
Me apo du coprola, alo me apo du coprola, John Romani Mama, Mava Brole. A picture auditorium, the whole technical university of Shiava. No chogana mia, me way. Love me on to me of guy or mamma. Nyama lidi hela homa gakani mi akoda fa mi onto mi nyemire tamana mi mun ho amusama ekpobe onyabe oglonya lidi he mi kata mi kwede manita bom as a journalist man no mi adon nya pa dia blofiari nya mi tonya la nya pa de kong de e gafifi en fifi do mane egbon fiafi ogbon de ti mama ye o ha na dashi de ti mama kafa no vudu wa kpo damle akpoma loga nyap du ko ba nya oglo pe tam susu mai ko ko de tamana miri ha ma mblama
me courage be ekpobe at a point nane ole alona no anoji ya na be uche wa gblonya enya dewe because to the hit up to that election mi poleke amo egamama pele nuzi obaleji. And at that time, I'm hardship were experienced and a host of things are happening. Both by Pluto, Mikbo, as easy as enough election that very day. Yes, and no energy. So at the end of the day, nothing was sent away. You have never been a vote now, who 100 Ghana and 1 hour in my hall. Meanwhile, we left $5 away at that time. And why I am the mindset change. I just get them. And the only time who I get them I make it all later. Make sure Bella, I make it all dark on you are. You fight for your open interest. And very important. Because they have your vote now. Now, if you have more and more, you make sure you have more like facilitate and more. Echi nele duoma mo le chifupe mele wa wonu ya after nuke 4 years ever e ka ba okay no vote na e no ya mi o cholo gbogbo na ba okay no me work you ma vote now and never we chela o vote. So that is the mindset I'm talking about. Tame hia kokobede
te bebe nyama oglo me nyanyonyo no gaka nanenchio kuro eta oglero.
Okay,
mema.
Na bele
enya biama lola. No, we are doing serious public discourse.
Yes.
And but statement ma le miafa de kongma is totally out of place. And never me hoga a gafifio, nyanyo to me ga nyon fiva mama na.
Yeah, so yes, so some of these things at times hit up to and we are another one make statements the way he may be my jabene is be out. Gake eno enyami kalebobo nyebe ne he meton renew me up mindset a change susu etame susu ya olewa. Adefu because every election fifie ke amesia mele obe yantoka ncho amero o change be TNT 700 cedis TNT ameke 600 cedis obe TNT 500 cedis obe TNT meanwhile eya uma before election a etovo ta enu enye bela Ghana touch over the descent no come na here yifimala is you and your chronics and he thank you ya oche wa dua wa make sure and this even happening even the assembly elections were at the local level quite assembly elections so I'm all expect be wa na you nane you vote. Even yes, assembly elections were that is LG. So me have a mindset changer, very important. Many hear me, oh, you let me, here. We should fight for the good of the people. I make it all hey, let me. At least open concern, I open problems. Wa name at all address the question. Like you are for now, question, and never wa feel encouraged. Oh, we are now over and make you question like like you are for now. You can no vasibe. You are very hostile. Adore you am my people do hang up, do all sorts of things. Na chone vabe no ka vote na ya all expect me na kongave because at the end of the day, let you vote na we can have enjoy. You don't mind them again. So mindset ma jebe mi trema. That is the only way me ato stop vote buying. Dem nye si boyala aka yiju awule college if you like. So the best you be me nabe do come of you no feel okay you che you le edeme. That is the only way. Nemenye si bo matro. At the end of the day, the political parties will okay, they will vote by Twitter. So what about 5 days, 6 days, 10 days to election? About facilitation, Fudogalo, at least Konufia Kodovu. At least, yeah. So that's one about Fudoga here. And the way at the end of the day, a Honanetwa Miego, Ta Ochewa Dibeni and show Nane. Na mero dominion out from our dominion. Which our dominion? Because Oche Nyanu Ketale dominion or now. For example, Minya be Baba Jama. Yes. Many is here you no one could. Nemia Nativia Melode, Nemia to at the time. Nemia Nativia. How would they make election 2 days to election? I mean, Nativio. So some of these things, even though Eglobe is not to influence voters or gake minya beke niapete in the politics minya, but stopping it is the issue. Let's change our mindset. We renew mindset, and the only time maybe I don't change mindset, never make it on me later. Actually, all make sure that you're accountable, you're responsive to. I may have vote na way. That is the only way out. Nemenye sigbayala LG ubele college fifie.
Yo, nyafwe nukbala alikem. Chome bio yema mpom cho en disi tope chisna me cham tome le huafia ke nyapa vote by nyaya ye enya de ke gabaga glasudom e mi gakpole en disi topa koyo dala ya so isma le nyapa research area ya nye promas ale gbogbo ke enaba fifi kwete bami ajingo alabe egbona fiere roga am yo kenye mtepolo am bachio ko yeba obakpolo me mutemi akpolo echo Bruno Folino gbonyafia ikenye kparentonye ho central MP Potosu aba yevonde Potosu nchi alabe nyaba gama mala Potosu sio ta nenye gada gayo leneba afi amana afia wa madi wona ta ye be at the kuku gako ha global mindset in kanya mindset when there is poverty hold I'm going somewhere when poverty is protracted and here come a kurudu ayadudu enanabe ado yo nyatepo manya to na namo alo amano yala be ama here come a food nama and politician akboba amo do so that is one da aleke wajawagba a beat amayo yeko na gbogbo na ameke do mbere na change mindset na dole susu a look you have many 3000 miss allegations are fear about 3000 man le I also 3,000 me 30 million na ya agbledela kafla jineni o yashima po yo loga 3,000 cho amo yashima 120 cedis yo pona every 4 days le hoshi mafia enyo pe video lo amo yashima 300 cedis yo put 3,000 they never change mindset fuma mobile lack of money is the root of all evil as equally as the lack of it is that we have a long way to go. After education, we are not educating the people. Me a politician, so let me like me a tonya debe. Kake madak bena wo bele o hachio ke vana nya wona jafia. Mo pobe nyatepo jeje mo mama. For na station do emsham kwa na nya NDC kwa. Na mele MPP makwa gbele. Na nya MPP kpaje na mele NDC ma gbele. Ekperade. Kaka na yi the parliament ha. Tamaro na pobo no na be anye tradition ke mo dogocho. You are from a tradition of probity and accountability. You are from a tradition. Ni gba me akọ konwe be yo gba 50-50 asibobule du kopa gama. Mata u deploy mo le firing squad detection. Yeah. Ala bu fossile du gama nyam. La ko jofi gbagban wa gremi atomalaka. And we have to do something about it. Just 2 minutes.
Yes. Na beleke education is very important. Na be yes amele dollar mewudi yeah so $1 we me fe be wa fifi odi and at the end of the day $1 na fifi a enya no ke emecho no we ka ke no enye be ya ta me $1 be yes
as mo on tell gonya mafia be na na we jojom aleki ka mo no sesem na mo itam kokola mahama wo nya gbo mo le ro
tade fifi ke mi chule ya ja mi va education be okay
she la pa ma wo
me educate amowa ejebe me a politicians o wechela me change me ape aside be me no amo expect be wa change your mindset eje me ache me trole ke me la gbe no da mi o now ekole ke example be okay o be MP poto su ke me nesi gbe ala ke me toro ogbo because e gamele si o ekpo be yes na gamele ga ke tipo le ke ko relate plan me we even though na gamele o ga ka me no po we o le ke wona na we le ke amedo wa yo just to say hi good morning alo le kra do le pa fonu ale fun ji kra you will regret be you me kaka do na here le very accommodating na ama wa no globe ameke a na yigbo a gamele lo ga kele ko wa howela unto anya be na ke o ba lela wa me alo nyo domenui ta amokra even do bo mele po ga kele ke ko la mi o ho kra that hope plus assurance le be na ke va kwela lekele ona you kwache waka wewu sige that integrity is very important so like me akọ alebenen yes menye be nusianu kwenye egasi gbo kakele ke wa kokọ amewe anyo dome even emelio wa funya leke wa funu na mowa ele very important na he ya manome ya kemi ele fudegbe because na he yi appoint we yi ele so arrogant no yowe ele nufo calls ma pico no do message down ma manyo no your mele meeting ma your back you know even call no ka your kaleke we ka kwele meeting with our at the end of the day net trouble me ma ugwa you also be expecting something from you
all right
it's very important education is very important mindset changer both politicians or pele me adu come viewer ejebe e ma neno ai emi esigbo ala mi aba na me amekito elect lo do parliament lo do te pa o ma to an to record very important.
City Newsroom reporter Red Dogo. Ale you might like a long reporter because Omodo Kwanda Kabarojo Akakpira kwa Ojibo Global OSP.
Yeah.
Ikanya Jirupa Dope Kwana to Kopo Gaga Filo Nyamakuku.
Yeah.
Barojim Bela Homi Jiba Okba Babajama Ma TV. Kokroji Dada. So allegations relating to claims that TV sets, boiled eggs, and other items were distributed to influence voting outcomes raise concerns about potential breaches of Ghana's electoral and anti-corruption laws.
Okay.
According to officials familiar with the matter, it's a long story. That's why I'm not comfortable. Officials familiar with the matter, Baba Jamal is being investigated for alleged assault, obstructing OSP officers and corruption.
Okay.
That Baba Jamali Kenya parliamentary candidate elect na NDC.
Yeah.
Okay, Jora.
Yeah.
Be never the OSP for office. alo assault o magbo verbal assault o nye alo physical assault dodora magbo alo ashi ebe nya be vin bia alo unvevi o am o nye o ni menya. So that kind of assault has to be qualified in a report. Afi obstructing OSP officers. Mimanyane OSP officers or alo OSP kwa domaga or alo dollar over. I also Easter alo ayiko yide OSP officer ye ono mwaham now. That is not clear in the report. So I think, okay, let me just ask you this way. Nyado kan OSP?
OSP I don't care one way because over your officers were assaulted. So no,
yeah, but the nyamanyane miapo makukua edo kwaji fika o assault alo.
For Emma ime senya deke po video alo ime po evidence deke hadota. Mele sure be through investigation here OSP. Ole baba jama ntone hoba issue nu keda. Kimi anya the chronology of events wele ko yi yapo assaulting. Banoko wonu kubede OSP ele aside one be assault kakene ho be corruption na mele sure be the corruption is relating to the TV mama pele mawe ele po 21st January MPP to ho elections le du koya mele mi po egale ka mo magade so should he wait na he NDC to ayapo aba no I invite you awa no ame ma ucho invite her. No, you see, never vale no wasi bede kemi amowa kobe no. Me mato wado. Because ne he feel okay no baba jama hema is corruption or corruption related. Then e match ho wobaya.
Nyama ka 31st January
MPP
Kennedy Japan bera champion baumia level ma
wa meto ma maga. Ta
je ya nakpo. Ya ta nakpo.
Nakpo de. Oh, aloya is it not corruption related?
Nya biamo.
Yo, ne pay out chai. Ta no ato he baba jama to alo because be ole gbogbo be assault o family ya na ta ko pe de ole baba jama invite. Ta ne do ya ne ma to wa do kwa. Ne gbele sirika ne nya be okay, ma to wa do. Because ne ho for the caliber of American involved, we ho feel be ma to I want to then we know. So me aton I get I make here aton wado. Alone officer no scrap here I call that Ministry of Justice Department the one or Emma handler. Fine. Then we minya kaka mato baba jama to because elebofona member we omenyale ko invite for. So me let me ko amema cha no ba. Oko offense we play like it all over but then we pick it up from there. But in all me have a mindset I have elevate for the message gola politics efifia na gamela siwa umetolo wagbo na gameli wa umetolo wagbo ya na tabe corruption le efififi le zanu hoko le gegere mebe because na dibi ayi he gameli wa ba jamedoji no do ganae no naiga no support ye and at the end of the day no support we here ya actually no kickback expect from you agreement ye okay let me cook them out chene here this is the kickback me expecting from you. And ejebe na jagbagba na please remember because no me when our what the funa maybe subsequently ko ka matonka you that me have ammonia sponsors we actually a contract business ko wa ole call a political nuclear supporting then you make sure you give it you whichever make sure by reciprocate help my whole now which I think there are a qualified people here you about doa ima po ga ka make it he galosia ya aton haide parliament alwa get appointment that is an issue it's a kankade he ojebe Ghana topete no matter the political affiliations or alwe kimehela ejebe mitre ne menye sigbo enu ya mene totogbe fifio ne ya mo wato na 3000 America aho 600 700 800 fifia kemi few years to come mi antomi akpole ke ole yigbeda yana tane do fimia badibia place egame badibia figa because her loans e play ma ho kwa badibia payback ele very important the mindset change ele very important now journalist or amole mi akpo gede ko mi aweta ya ton I make sure that some of these initiatives wala mi take away ne menye sigbo ma help mi ape politics la I continuously I idea make a hegales, but meanwhile, Maton Wado, and I can expose me to more corruption related nuclear and not helpful. So it's very important. Let me that for me.
You are messages are over. Good morning, Mr. Anthony. Okay, you just come in. Good morning, Tony. For your yeoman job you're doing for Ebenigba TV. My regards to my hardworking Honorable MP Peter Nochu Kotoe and my hardworking DC Bless K. Katamani and incoming Deputy Secretary John Paul Semabo, Secretary Bright again. Oh, okay, Vincent, campaign owner. All right, Akbena. Mary Holanyoba, good morning, Mr. Tony. You just call me Tony. I'm cool with that, yeah? Tony, you are doing well for Ebenigba TV. God bless you. God bless you too. Thank you for your acknowledgement. Good morning, Ebenigba TV and the team. Ni Seko Wisdom. Edo message mother. Okay, afi maga message ogbo nyadele tuame Benjamin Jakuma ikenye tema central inye tema tichina mechianto mofe shimanola ne NDC anongone kamecharo le temantome alwa declare ba agbome national health insurance to ikenye jiruho do ko ikepona cardinal dono kula ko konji fama heji be yo kata yo wofu buji la ko yo dama ga ba su bonne do maru akejiru do magaro ko wachamu yo ko majene do yo mo ke le tema central o tema chichina me chanto mo yo ke wo nte ko yo nyam yo ke suboso wo do o ma tere yo nchi bia yo fo magbo on to mo yo ke jonwa e ko wacha chodona e wa heji bibi ve le tema chichina me chanto me tanke jo o ba declare o ba po mo na ni charge o ba tu do pa klete fakata sha na afuma abo fumale o ba ho na agba ne Cadiville afi choyi na re konji amo fo dono nkeke do wo ba na o po jo ho gba na ye o plus bo o ta ikoji laka tema central chairman of NDC Benjamin Jakuma era for makule onchimo.
Yeah, NDC mi ape party even do be revolution no ke mi chwa ke NDC mi amefafa o mi NDC me vie. And then no ko ba wa be enu ya he MPP to je government after election 2016 election 2017 o get the court o ba le amu here abe etibia get mi ato me fide kake
aka gbomele we na topic am kono ma ka MPP o
kake mauta le
MPP to gbomi revolution from la elikem MPP to gbomi revolution na from la
enya kuma gbenye
MPP to tu ya da fe mia
no matter be jikuke le me miame jikuke le me wede me hia be na ko ese de uto asiome na ba wo enuke he mejew because ne ko ese de document ya eva wo nuke mejewa ese akplowe enehe ese plowe ya wabano expecting the ipe party aba help ye neme gede mowa emi wa fo be o me loyo allo party la is not worth fighting for nehe here be party nek bede nwa ewenye central chairman enya the a procedure process ke to wa to medi edibe no ho ifa medo branch allo whatever edibe no kwa medo constituency edibe no kwa medo de edoma enya process ke me wato me hia be wa ba leader mo we akoba wonu ma le wo sigba ele party engbele efma dedudu do pe amole do amo va pa agbale nuzio me hia o uma wa dale seji ese aton plowe ana se plowe he America me va wan be party e da sele wa no ta na na odi ni bu vire afa mi dafo because ne ba dafo gbegbele a ese akplowe ese plowe la o ma ba blame party o because e won to dafo gbegbele yes mi le sure be NDC government va menya mesia me ya po eton hadeko amo o wado nde se ade ko je be no o campaign o wado de sunu ne party gake menya mesia me kpɔ dɔ aɖe kɔ enu vivivie ta ne meɖo dzi wa tse gbɔdzidi ne nanɔ nu ke dze be nanɔ gbe do ɖa ne mawu ava ɖo dzi wɔe ame ɖewo woadze gɔme ame ɖewo tse woava wu nu gake meva ha ɖewo kɔa ekɔ se de ɖokuiwo me va le nu ma wa menyo ta miatɔ no gbɔdzidi vie no mata vevesese ke le woƒe dzime kple nu ya no gbɔdzidi no make sure be woƒe MPs wo le kple nu ke wo le no communicate no ƒo nu ne opportunity ɖe va yes wanawe government create a lot of opportunities where from YEA ƒe nu ke wo recruitment wo le dzi security services wo le dzi edzumaro atsɔ train amewo business people wo train amewo to give them grants and funding it's about the selection process egɔme le whole technical university le fi etsɔ ke bae wo dze selection program egɔme the nationwide la whole technical university wo le wa le and we are hoping that a lot of businesses from the region la wa kpɔ grant ma I expand and no expand wa employ amewo geɖe ta the government is making sure that ele avenues wo create ele job opportunities wo create ne to come everywhere ta no gbɔdzidi ne me do dziwe fifia wa gbɔdzidi ava do dziwe me hia be nakɔ ese kɔ de ɖokuiwo me ne kɔe de me ya nane dzɔa o ma va blame party be party o de megbe le ŋu gake wo ŋutɔ kɔ ese de ɖokuiwo si eva le enu madzemadze wa alo enu manyu wa ya ese le kplɔwe ta ya ma eko ma gbe be no gbɔdzidi no issue ɖe lia no make sure be no ne woƒe leadership and whatever help wo hia wa nawe akpɛ.
Yo, miaƒe nukpɔla Vemba TV ƒe ŋdiwɔna enye adzi ŋutɔ ne magbɔ miakplɔm enye kple elikem ye le miagbɔ message so vava Moses do message nam tso aplawo ye miankɔ sem ebe you like her, you know, you like her costume, so we appreciate that. Tina do message nam tso fodo me do gbana be miankɔ sem yo mese ŋkɔ me do gbana wo ha. Mary Ladenta Miankosem Akbeno, good morning to you, Mary. You're doing a good job. Okay, Vincent Miankosem, Joe Dakpa, yeah, I've seen your message and I appreciate that. Dalali Miankosem, Joe Deme, La Ho Afia, do message down. Reverend Daniel Miankosem Ladenta, you are doing a great job. Keep it up. Togbiga, Volta and Nas, Miankosem Joe Akachi, Edogbana, Miankosem. Be majijio ikekere mianji na wonokpaya ke favor miankosem cho akpena mau ya favor miankosem akpena mau ke fidelia ha dogbanam cho joje all right, so we have seen your message as well. Okay, nkporo nyareka ikenya mamlandi ke Majuma ko daron na bobo albo otongi nam chacha yenye nyajojo ne kare ha ike le to menye koko bledela fo hemi no ye fiafia na po gawo ina na du koplola takotwe patare manoga paple yonchimo nkenya mi ke takotwe ave koko foi que o clube bedelao o gaika nya ko clube bedelao to ike jiru pato kona ko play passe chacha jila Ghana matehana o hado President Mahama to hold emergency cabinet meeting on cocoa sector challenges for Sukwachi. So the president has scheduled a meeting to hold today, Wednesday, February 10, 2026, to address all issues in Ghana's cocoa industry. Minister for Government Communications Felix Kwachofoso said in a post on X. And the President Mahama has called an emergency cabinet session for tomorrow, Wednesday, February 11, 2026, to address all issues affecting the cocoa sector. That was his post on X. And that post was yesterday, 10:06 a.m. Gawo minute at the check over here of Uchuquachi message where to Cocola you tapo patare, be Domagata, Dogam, cabinet minister, so no dogo a year. Lebam alove your quality of putane, Kuku blade, Nyao Lagana. Let me just add some little bit of context. The urgent meeting comes as the sector faces multiple pressures, including severe financing challenges that have delayed payments to farmers and value chain actors, highlighting concerns about the industry's stability and future. The move comes amid growing alarm over liquidity shortfalls and delayed payments to cocoa farmers and licensed buying companies, which industry stakeholders want could destabilize the sector if not swiftly addressed. And according to the Licensed Cocoa Buyers Association of Ghana, the government needs to secure emergency financing to buy an estimated 300,000 tons of cocoa beans through September to avoid a potential collapse. The Ghana Cocoa Board, which regulates pricing, purchases, and export of cocoa, has acknowledged the funding gap and is working with the Ministry of Finance on possible solutions, including abandoning long-standing syndicated loan financing model that underpins cocoa purchases. Cocoa farmers have expressed frustration over pricing for the 2025-2026 crop season, saying the rate set falls short of expectations and could worsen smuggling incentives and undermine farmer incomes. The emergency cabinet session will bring together ministers, sector experts, and key government officials to chart a new course for immediate interventions, including measures to ensure timely payments to farmers, secure financing to cocoa purchases, and shore up confidence in the value chain. To Koklola, where the Magai Kakbona, Yam Dedem, Felix Ofosukwachi, Jonare Dari Duaja. A chom, Gawumi Chadema, Bagba, Yo Takoko Pata, Remaim, Chokoko Nyam, Oba Pajim, a Fake Ivaima, a Gaika Jiruhana, Koko brother on Kutoku, Giamania Kambo, Udona, Aromania, Polanyama. Na number Koko brother Jimbo Ogres Monglish Chacham, Yakulmi Glopama, or Mega Grafma.
Yeah, sure.
Na number Maroha. Led report banto me akro gbogbo be oje yo pa gbe ne kala se fulo no won ma che ono lo po gagagagre je kako yo gwa fi no oku ke gbe to yan bo e ganto me le jiru do ko e ke pona koko pashi dodo ashipople ple chocho egbeta do komo ganto to me le opre koko gedo e na bo koko o pon o wa chi anyi gbara ma nwa me ko na kokoro ba jan jiru fa do fe ko na kokoro o do ga gbogbo to banko shi chople do ko na jiru do fa o mo po ka fa na o re ma ta o mo te go troga ba no cha gbo jo no kokoro from ko ma ka ta ba foto ita jiru do ga gbogbo mo du kokoro la ba yo na do go gba me sha me kenya ya ka ne ba ta ko pa me agbede la ha bobo kokoro ple la o yo ke ba jan ne jiru fa do fe ka pleni afito na shile nko do na regbeta do komo nshi yo kata go do gba alabo yo pota na nya he afere kanye ya hanya jimu afa koko nya ya jiru don baba yo nwo ge chokoko nchi kleto mano jashi kan nya pe anko de abo nya pe former national chairman. I think he's still national
is it Kwabenaje?
Miape national chairman of the NDC, Kawanya Cocoa Board chairman here. No meeting, Plimi. All over Bled Delau, regional minister of Fuma over cocoa smuggling or Jima of wo ambulance so of Warakam Majibang traditional council, crowd no cocoa for smuggling all the picture Mokotonya high security meeting. Fifia and Yanyaba. You know, I for no cocoa brother. A guy me don't when I'm over me catch on you. A guy me don't when I'm cocoa brother when catch on you. What book I heard you was so coffee how. Nyaya di. Nkanyo mokopo ba.
Akbe let me have a president here listening president onyo. Egbe ho yo a le show be kaka wa pa egbe meeting na wa find solution enyaya be amesia me ha do le meeting la eji ajoy le show be cocoa pasi kple nyawa mi ƒo nu tso ŋu bae ta nyimaka aƒo nu tso ema ŋu gake nu ko va wɔ abe míaƒe tɔ NPP tɔa woba le wɔ abe this period where ya ko dzɔ kpɔ be kokotɔwo ƒe ga alo agbledelawo ketɔ nye koko gbledelawo ƒe ga edile vi ɖewo mekpɔe o. Eno edzɔ bae severally gake mekpɔ be NDC tɔ kɔ kamera ɖe koko gbledelawo gbɔ le egbea me va le press conference kple etɔwɔ kple wo le egbea me o. Minɔ nu ƒo leke woakɔ solve issue solution where ya mi nɔ proposing even though be mi condemn gake me yi dzi si gbɔ gake ame yawo instead of be
oko TV presenter yi koko gba me.
O yi va le press conference for le koko gba me.
Macau.
O NPP tɔ enu ɔdzɔ fi enu this that was last week.
Oh, okay.
Dennis Miracle Abuaji UTV kple mawe kokoro gbe de la gbɔ press conference le koko gble me.
Nke gbe tso ŋu.
Ebe.
Ta nke ni.
No, so enu dzɔ.
Ya Miracle Abuaji ya menye government.
No, there's an issue. Mi fix it. Ya gblɔ me le be de andawo ƒe ten atse dzɔ gake NDC tɔ me kɔ camera yi ɖe bush ebe ne yova ɔnu yo mi propose mi condemn but mi propose solutions wɛ. So how about this time around? Ya tso ya va le bush o va le press conference wɔ bene yo ka wɔ nu.
Hold on, message so no va to WhatsApp dzi na mi ke vocal ona ma ŋusia ne va da ro mata xlɔ. All right. Message over avance, you must know message over avance,
wrap up. So the good thing about president, I meet work. I'm sure, but whatever concern issues well here, what address it, and who address it there. I'm sure the government I find ways and means where the cocoa debt hele sector ma, all heavily indebted. I find ways and means where I can resolve it. And noko oletetere jinyevi debe randi abi henye cocoa board near whole ono egbebia eno nufo about some of the malpractices where he under the previous administration. Kake up to now imeton senya de kebe okay ameke he yole investigating ameke le for causing financial loss to the cocoa sector alo nuya imesinya de ke hado. So time of Bemiano Enufo Anamo blame the ever yi. Let's take action. Na me de waste me ape ega. Me hogale am yesi. And me ko address some of these issues where kakebe nem media me no eke blame previous no ke blame. Yes, we are not taking any action.
Hold on, honorable. Nyema chunya mo de ewode. Majiba na no shiaji na some messages ado. And I don't see. She get out of ne mi ponko. Mi pa ko messages so clare mi. About email me I don't know. It's not too good. So you should be able to rejoin some of them. The marriage atado message Chonya and Jabari. Mahama sent to Singapore. They told him that they find and put now Polo Nyasala ni oklemela ale mingune makpomia e. So the messages are read and redacted. I'm not editing anything. Mahama sent to Singapore. They told him that they find and put serious people in charge of important state institutions. But JM put a TV presenter in charge of cocoa industry, hence the distress in that sector, Marijata. Marijata, if you put your country's important economic sector, that is cocoa industry, in the hands of a TV presenter, Randy Abe, what do you expect? Ronnie, a radio presenter goes to buy a PhD and voila, John Mahama hands over the single most important sector to him to manage. If Cocoa Board was John Mahama's private company, would he ever hire someone like Randy Abe to manage it? Our leaders can't walk out, our leaders can't walk and chew a gum at the same time. You can't effectively manage Cocoa Board and Gold Board at the same time. Hey. Okay. Ofosu, no message there. However, my take, JM should take a bold decision. By 1, explain and apologize to citizens the mess the politicians have caused Kokobot. 2. Communicate to citizens and explain why the country must step in to salvage the situation. 3. Propose the addition to a levy of 1 cedi to the petroleum levy with a sunset clause, just like the ESLA levy. 4. The levy should be ring-fenced with a statutory instrument to protect it. It should be managed by an authority devoid of 3 criminals, I mean the politicians. Oh, Anyakawe. All right. Magabona message there. Let me main our WhatsApp. WhatsApp messages. The NDC also held press conference on the Cathedral and Galamsey sites. The NDC also held press conference at the Cathedral and Galamsey sites. That's much big what into mafia mele. Let's go back to Facebook. I've been trying to load some messages. That is it. People are doubting the competence of the one you put in charge of the industry.
You know, for Eyidokia, at times I'm all enough about competence. Competence. Obama is incompetent already. I do find challenges with statement malo that particular word at times. Because
Mecho nyajojo kakala TV dollar alo make kakana nyajojo le radio jiva chodare to wo fevien randiabe amarebe echo gava plepiedi ye ko miyonga dokita mi should that to pose say anchi ngoma demale manya blom da me ta mabere gboma
enya blomesi ma fonu to let's see. First off, I'm PhD. I'm a legend. No, never fearful PhD. So it's an allegation. And when at the end of the day, President Emma Choko actually direct me who to manage the institution. Now look at GoBoard. Go board they make I feel better. Me Jeff aton come out with policies like ideas way. Hey, I help. Hey, go board. Hey, let me have economy sustain. Hey, major of our economy. No, assume the go board no fail potoa. The same way one get Devi I ever let my manager. Kaka Devi my ifima ever let door. So it doesn't mean there one somebody like Randy Abbey, the world experience. In managing people, he have business where actually manage
Cocoa.
No. Everybody, Cocoa body, nehe yidi, menya de kayo. I'm only there's a team already there. So when you go, there are people there who are experienced. I also help when no may have know-how. They help you. And where cocoa sector, there's an issue. So much debt, lefima, agbadudu lefima. So there's an issue already there. So the best thing ever all a more ceremony to find solution. The cocoa sector issue man.
I don't go. Force media budget dear. Majima soundbite Mark Bogado he. We have paid. We have paid.
A daughter lady. You may have all. Gake and one nunya the sector dodi. Nabe cocoa sector. Agbadudu mahelefima. Edo menyebe mkekedeka venyayo ejebe no pay video apewa no issue ya o resolve no enyebe the good thing be me ape listening government elo meet bebe whatever the concerns are amesi me put here across
over me hope for na nyama sasara
ya nata o le meeting egbe no meet body wa hefe na be and leke he wa sustain enu ya be issue ya de kema kaba jo e chonchoa this government as a senior to free senior high school as a general free senior high school it's the same way government element to ako solve issue de siade time na time mi le 1 year free students wa me de make a complain be school nu do wala olo mi nyale ko le bai amo complain be ne NDC va de la
mi galamsey pa nyasem
galamsey mileji echi do fe mo le koko mi nya be galamsey me nye keke de ka do yo mi nya be vivia ya be wa amo wa change over attitude play yawa ya na ta government put in some policies we programs there we ho implement o kale ji le wawa mi le sure be na be continue there very soon most of the issues with galamsey address some of them report over be chidoji le koko de chido hele yellow na betia over moche koko vivi kwa mi adekana ta government ade this term is a legacy term no kwene ta mi le do ogbe wa amesi ame akpojijo even though there may be excesses where allo yes emaole kake ya che a job because we are all human beings imele perfect kake government ya epe intention yebe ya make sure be Ghana la mi apete mi akpogbojo if you can dey come all complaining nududu amede wo video chobe ife bilila it was 1,002 if you like bileke price ever 400 cedis ta ya memala epe priority enye bela e bilene no asiko na mi a eduko meviwe mi no fupe mi a pe bili 1,002 if you over 400 la e dojiku that because of that dojiku the NDC government on bela o menyo because if Nigeria kela if le na sime ba if you be like 400 cedis yeah well how lewa dojiku the government bele enodi if you no bo edi na mi adu come view me enjoy then you are blaming government then look at and no reduce and over acidity ha why let me have me go to me have mentality le so no kesi be enu energy
wa na po e be azwa ama bro tamususu ha bro tamususu
energy kupole mile fupele du come na enu didi ni enjoy zon kwa ya ko energy kupole de mile ni awe fifi
no nya ka gbo mele na mo ba shi didi a e blipa nya gbo agbede la ori e ga didi are o ten ovio posso kufi kama supply and demand side issue yen
so e ko be yana ta agbede la ma ki all complain be at a point na nche mema for chemicals mass sprayer it was 120 cedis fifi ke ever 60 cedis so if you have any cost e ma ko put into the nuclear LDD wule ko le chan
ta agbede la ke ko mo ba shame mo ba to agbede la ke chomo choble ba shime ye o ba po half the price abo mio meals banto edo buffer stock dada plus suba ngo pa shima ka didi to certain level bag but the lana poto bwa agbogbo ya
no
wato agbogbo they are not happy
cost yes no me happy na tabe ekobe nuke taminya listening government cho agree minister no go parliament
okay talk about
buffer stock be some of the things where he ochi aglegically towa buffer stock apple the way I no gbone Dominic Nitiwu because I complain they have about 2,000 bags of rice. Yeah, be buffer stock la wa intervene.
Another this conversation. Mnyapa nyakra over be over achio ke kore, achio ke for mu kore. You am to fan konai. Agba sure vivina palo. Over do tina ka yi me do kama.
Look River Pra.
Ebe mu kozo.
Oglobe ebe mu le koko.
Ebe velia.
Manawe
River Yesu.
Manawe
Bebensu.
Manawe call it Fiajo.
All right, me pon pola nyakjo de alonya takakarabaro me apofifila. The mayor of Tema, Honorable Ebi Bright, has intervened to resolve the standoff in the National Health Insurance Scheme office issue. The mayor Tema po momefia geranyame ke ni ke Jakuma Benjamin Jakuma kule NDC to wore NHIF to mwa mi kpo orokweji so update ma ba ho ide ko fifila ta o na mi nya we o futepa azono ta nkporo emina refia nya jojoma enya nya bai ya kema ga nya fio o futepa ke to he keja eko je bo chone
yes
ala ma jogo central fia o ba maroba tojo mi office abo mena do mo mena posamu ka wa posa refia
ode kake me pode kolo kake mele baba isi anye fe ga me kole fu ne me complaining no
me ga bien
so many
mo ga samero
dia ima go se de le fi ya jimile ya me le complaining no ni chami o campaign we gede nu gede iji Okay, yes, we are doing it.
Ayo.
So that is it. Tamana we chido hole. Mansu Nyankumasi Echia. Ele Academy. Prayer River Academy. Impoho River Academy. Impoho ele Western Region. Ahanta ele Western Region. Ahanta West.
Tamakawe nyamagbomba Echia Mukakademy.
Oh.
Mawe nyamako.
If you forest reserve, don't you miss stopper. Apamprama forest reserve chemi gbo reclaiming ta enu ya LG mikale land reclamation exercise so chole anyigba keto ogbin a government intervening then ya reclaim anyigba edo birim and cobra play property land ole
bola honorable Elik Chomebio enyanyama kokweto hele gba kwa TV for one am egbanye full edition batakare edition we mi do batakare kura chakura da mi mi jagba mi do egbato na kura egbona mi ro nkuja mi adu mama no mi a Tony Magwebe nke kama no yona mi bye bye.
Hier qu'attend la vigie, et la vigie. Fou pepe va glolo, oh, et glolo. Ma way is embalejado. Aja bagba asikaligbe do afikolea le mia tempolo mi jagole gio mi antominya oh my way mi antominya eyenti Mire Giodo, ne mi attende cucunolo. Ficole, ma we, ficole ma, mbe, ficole ma. Ficole, e we, ficole ma we, ficole ma. Adoame vana fianfito pata trozu pastolo Adoame vana ajedato pata trozu bokonolo Oh mau Ficole